Sis, I just come here. I can't go red for no area.
Listen, it's your birthday.
Yeah.
Now, it's have a friend we know your area, but nobody go do nothing or you go regret it. Now, true, you're 16. That no mean say you have to go out there and have yourself all over the place. Remember saying I know the place, you know? You say you can go out there, enjoy your birthday and come back. Nobody go out there, go make no man look upon you and they look weird there. Understand me?
I understand, yes, sisters.
Yes. So, you eat already?
Let me get some food.
Alright. You can go on. I remember say pool on this, so I go check out the pool later.
Alright.
Yeah. True, na big woman. True, you turn 16, I feel like you're a big woman.
Excuse me there.
Hi.
Hi. How your name?
I'm Titi. RT.
You say first me and Sarah, so where you come from?
Family around here. Where you come from?
Oh, so you're the runner.
No, say me. I'm a sister down here, so. I guess also. I'm a sweet 16.
You're 16?
Mm.
Oh, so you have a boyfriend then?
No, sir.
A single?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know, so I walk on the road and I see and me no know you say me a top to get for you, but my name is Kayla, by the way.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, and behave yourself on the road.
Yeah.
You don't have to keep it long, but go on.
Mm-hmm.
Come here. You don't have no man, so what have you had a half at...
No, our best friendship.
Come here.
Our best friend.
Oh. You look good. You can't come off. You could have given me the number for sale.
No, sir. Next time.
Alright, later. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Fag one, alright?
Yeah, I'm a good man.
Take off your dark hands so I can look in your eye.
Looking at me eye?
Yeah. Take off your dark hands. Cause you look handsome.
Oh, thanks.
I first me a see you running the other around here.
Oh, you know, so I want to look at Bill up. That's what I'm there to stay though.
Oh, but me like cage.
Yeah.
Oh, so now want some company?
Company.
Yeah, stay there with you. I want some company.
Why you not even know my name? Suppose me a murderer. And you want to stay with me.
No, you can't murder me. Any murder not going on in the bedroom. I mean, no mind. Me already right now. Come on.
Alright, tell her. I give you my number.
Alright, put in.
I give you my number. But me can't murder you today.
Why?
Me just know you. You have to know you.
Oh, alright. Your name again, Davy?
Yeah, so what your name?
My name is Kayla. Nice to meet you. I live around here.
Alright, call me on night time. But me have sitting for a fire, so I have to go there.
Yo, you have some fire in a guest house?
Out of door fire, sweetheart.
Oh, alright.
Alright.
You look good.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Kayla.
Go on, babes.
Babes, you look what I'm walking in the area. Everybody want the money. I don't know if it come like money print for me shot or something, but everybody want something. I don't know.
So you give all of them money?
Every one of them. Me can't tell them no.
Why?
Because
Your office says no to some people. You can't say yes to everybody.
Baby, but if me in a position can give them an less fortunate than me, I have to do it.
Me understand. But when you give away your ass, you go shit your ribs. You cannot do that. You have to make sure you save something tomorrow. Rainy day. You can't feast today and famine tomorrow. Me not understand that. And every time me give you money, you come back to me. Me want some more money again. What you do with it? Look how much money me sent to your account the other day.
Baby, thank you so much for the money.
Yeah, thank me.
You know,
if you take so much money off of me and still I come back again.
Baby, I don't like you tell.
Me not understand
you treat me nice. Me can't ask you a better woman. Me can't ask you for more than what you do. But it's just my kind heart. Me have to tough up and learn how to say no. But I not just one time. Yesterday me say tomorrow me say no.
Make we cut off of the money part. We soon go back on it. Stick up in. And me and you there, you and them there?
Me and you there, of course.
Okay. May I ask you one question? Personal question. So if you go out there and see 10 women and then say, come at me and have sex, and you then ask for money, you're going to have sex with them?
No.
For money,
No.
you can get it from me.
No, never.
What you mean never?
Never.
So what you do with the money then when me a give you? Just a give woman so and then I give you
You're
nothing?
not a woman alone. What? Alright, a while ago me a walk. I'm so a madman. In bell babes and ribs me a see. Me not even
Madman
see.
different.
Babes me not
Me
even
talk
see
about the
belly.
girl them, eh?
Me not even belly me not see. And ribs me a see alone.
So the money we you give him can make him rib stop show
I
up?
don't know. But
So what you try to say? Explain yourself.
babe, me just try to say me need one tougher heart. And me a work on it. But for now,
You
just,
need a tougher heart?
just see with
Then
me.
from you born until now, your heart still soft same way like a baby. No man. Me tired to give you money. So anytime me see you come to me and they complain, so me know where you come, but where you want now? Money don't.
I mean, if you give me now, I say no still.
No, but me never plan to give you no more money for today. I just last night me send some money to your account. Me not understand. So that the money they finish already?
You know, finish baby, but my pocket feel light.
Your pocket feel
Look,
light.
Look, Ucha. Flimsy, I key alone me I hear. Me not hear
Jesus
no
Christ.
Ben
Me I
Franklin.
promise you buy you one Ferrari. And so you look like me if you take your money, so take your money out of that the money and buy it?
No man, baby, for money.
No,
are
the
different,
money
man.
when me when put on, me
Yeah.
fi take your money out of it and buy the Ferrari or take your money out of it and give you. That mean you know, better get the car. Which one?
No man, baby, if I money different, man. No worry about that.
Yeah.
No worry about that. That in a one different bracket.
I set me up for a while because
No.
all your friends them a tell me a road, oh, you a tell them say every minute me can give you money. As you come here not even have to ask me, just fuck out money give
Baby,
you.
me not enough friend. If them say that, me
No
and
wonder
them,
why your friend a look me. What is the problem?
baby, if my friend them say that, me not have no friend. I lie them I tell. Me not have no friend. I must because they say you treat me nice and they want to kick my foot.
Anyway, how much money you want? Let me just send you and done because me can't bother.
baby, 100,000 would have
Give me your phone, because I don't have the phone. I left my phone in a room up this upstairs.
or 150 if you can do 100.
150,000.
If you can do 100 or two.
Jamaican.
Yeah. I pray.
See me.
Thank you, babe.
Listen, you're welcome.
Sis. We reach now, we can't talk to you.
Babe, they can excuse me one minute. Let me talk to my brother.
No worry about that.
Come right here, son. What you say now? What you say?
Why? You want to say, I know because you just come down, but me I tell you what I want. You know, say everything from the ground when me a farm, dry up. Dry up bad.
Everything where you farm,
Dry down.
so no rain no fall.
No rain.
So that means the joke did there Jamaica then.
A pure joke.
No rain no fall from when in Jamaica. Oh God, I work as this.
Alright, now, me a plan to buy one by 20 tank.
You want 20 tank?
Yeah, 20 tank, some pipings.
So you can get water for water, this something. Them.
Right. So if you
Oh.
can just give me roughly what? Let me 150,000.
No, Papa, let me tell you something now. Yes, when you come on for lending money with you or me know me not get it back. So you better you ask me if me can give you
A
one
while
money.
ago, me I come and just see you. Why you transfer 150,000 to your husband, to your boyfriend?
I'm my husband that, I'm a matter of fact, we not married yet, but I'm my husband to be. But
and your own brother, your own flesh and blood.
me never say me not go give you, me say me not lend you no money because me know you not give me back. All the while me lend you money, you not give me back.
You give me?
Me just give you part away, just say me can't give you so much money towards much thanks. So a year tank, a year.
A chum change here.
Alright.
I know you got it.
Give me your phone and me send it to you. Because me not understand no. Me look like bank to you.
Well, I get a foreign call though. Well, that's it. Oh, in God. Oh, God. Yes, big money. Big money.
Well, it's see there. You send it.
100,000.
So if me get 100, you should have thank God. So you have one sister can give you 100,000.
So
You have 100,000 for yourself? No. I mean just give 100,000 towards it. Thank them so you can get water put in them.
this only can buy two 650 tank.
You're ungrateful, me not tell no lie. You're complain. Suppose me did say me not give you no tal. Cause look how much time me give you. And I first never give you that the amount of money. They may always give you more than that. What is the problem?
My daughter.
That me not like we do no. You know, selfish.
All right.
And just
Thank
only
you
for
for
say.
100,000.
And that I did for say for a long time for me
Thank
give you.
God bless you and may your food basket never empty. But I don't know how to tell you that one ago. You see, your niece, my daughter, you know your precious niece you love so much.
Oh, I'm torn.
She have heart problem.
Who Who have heart problem?
She have to go do a surgery.
Your daughter have heart problem?
Yeah, they say $5 million.
So Papa, me just give you 100,000. Something wrong with your niece. Why you never make me give you money towards your daughter?
Because the tank
Problem more than
the tank is more important first.
the tank important more than your daughter heart. We have just said.
Because we know you're not going to make my daughter die, but the tank, we want to get it. So
Much money feed? Much money feed?
$5 million for a new heart.
$5 million for one heart.
Yeah,
So the doctor them tell you that?
$5 million. We don't go there already, I mean, no, $5 million.
Anyway, me I go give you the money,
Ah,
but me not go give it right now. Me just send 100,000 to you. And that the amount of money there, me have to definitely go in the bank to go do it. Because remember say scamming a go around and me not think them a go allow me to send so much money from my account to yours from the phone.
I understand.
So to my niece and me love her so much, me no want nothing bad to happen to her. I am going to do it.
That's what I'm saying. Yo, you're my favorite sister, you know. But one thing though, me not trust that boy there, you know.
Which boy?
Your man.
Why do?
Me feel, right now, me jealous because guess what? You shouldn't even take him pamphlet, you know.
What you mean? I'm a man and I love him, so I don't know if I buy
No,
one ticket.
a jigaloo style that.
If I buy me one man one ticket and carry him overseas with me,
You come like, you try to use it, but use you.
how use me? You see me do something bad, you see me with no woman or something?
Sis, make it poor. Make it poor right now. You think he not talk to you?
So where you try say, Papa, you tell me say, just because me have one little change make him a talk to me? And that
Yes, because remember, alright, me
But
and
him
me
not
and
show
your
me.
brother and sister when they used to work at Chinese. You ever see me here regular? No, because you don't have it. Me don't want pressure your pocket. But 2 years ago, do you look a contract and your boss way? How big house and them sitting there? Me, you know, I feel look for you now if it help. Because you have it. So me feel like it's the same trend.
But everybody is not the same thing. Well, me understand with me and you know as a brother and sister. And you say me never have it, so you never want whatever. But so me understand. That is more than understandable. But no, me have it. You're my brother. If you need help, I can help you if I can at that time. So don't
Alright.
worry about it.
You see, we'll talk about the money. You see, alright, we're in a holiday, 2 day holiday in a row, so we'll come back 3 days time for the money. So,
Me don't know when me will get the time to go down at the bank because
just
me did
take your
promise,
time, sis.
me did
Just take your
promise my
time.
man something, so me did want carry me go to the place, you know, little Ochi,
What
somewhere
do
up the line. Me not talk Ochi rest in a sentence there, you know.
So what are you going to do?
We are good. Me just gonna make him enjoy himself and treat him, make him eat some fish and shrimp and lobster. And
So what about me?
we just go up and we want to go have a
So you
private.
can't carry me and your niece?
We think about it and make it.
I'll
know.
just get we a room with no business about no privacy. But you have to cheat with. We have blood, them are water. You cheat with.
We think about it and make it know.
Right, and you go want look if you can buy more small, I mean I'm pressure your pocket too much, you know. But if you can buy more small car, we don't have a problem. You understand? Like one of them look
They can go on now
wagon.
because me did have one phone call to make and the person did the online and them hang up because me hold a conversation
Remember,
with
you
you.
know,
Now me have to go get back to the person.
one Eddie wagon. We see one man have one down, so but he only want 4 tire. Me don't know if you have engine
Me
problem.
think about it. Me not sure about that yet.
Alright, yeah.
Alright.
Then no sham that she says she have heart problem, no sir.
Girl, now you sick with your heart?
Me, sick of my heart?
Yeah.
No, girl. I'm a mother at church, I'm a father. Yes, I get a little money. Sick with heart. Get me sick with heart and I drink right now.
I eat me and say, come here and walk past and me see her drink rum.
No, girl, that's
You think
scam.
I lie down in a bed in a hospital and sick with a heart and want a brand new water. So me here say I want brand new heart.
Scam, we are scam, daddy girl. Scam.
So you get money, so give me your money.
I'm a mother, scam my father, no me.
Oh.
Just a play along. Anything mother say if you do, I eat me and
Well, next time you tell the yard, because your father did not see you now. Whether tell your father, say your father did
Me go run and hide and he couldn't. Daddy now come them way, yeah. Daddy now come a bar.
Girl, for me know your father grummed.
He now come that side of him more for the down so.
Oh, anyways, girl, so we had to put in my area.
Me I want a little vibe.
Well, I go me a walk, girl. See one nice dark chocolate man.
What?
Me saying that's nice.
You get the number?
Yeah.
Make sure.
Me get the number, girl. Boy, my say my villa change.
Oh, him have car?
Let me see him walking that walk. Let me see him a car, girl, but he look rich. In a dark and in good clothes. So me say, most of money and money, me a look.
So don't I feel like I go?
Yes. So,
you know, go down there and see if I really don't name the girl.
You know, good on the girl if I don't name it?
Yeah. I'm saying we can get our money.
So why you want to go say if you have a get that money? You know your man and my man.
No, you go do it, girl. But I'm saying advice.
Yeah, money can't go feel.
We can walk.
Mama, me talk about go over there go stay.
No, fam.
So you can't make your mother send you money.
You go try. Me I go tell mother some more money.
Where phone then you can't call your mother something.
Girl, me left my phone and me
Girl, come beg one call.
Alright.
So you can't go over there go stay. Come. You know, secure no heart. So anytime you want to have a good drink, I'll better come.
Trending lunch, girl. Trending lunch.
Alright, me will come on anytime. I can't carry the man come here too.
Yeah, we can make him spend. Yeah, girl. Come.
See why there?
Yeah. That boy look familiar, girl. But we can't recall him.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Me see again.
Yeah, that me I see.
You know, say you would have called for too.
Call up.
Over there we want to go. Put up.
Go over there, go do.
Let us stay with you.
No, you can't stay with me so fast. My mother over there.
So go introduce me to your mother then now?
No. My mother don't like people and he's sick now.
Or do I shall add for you there?
No, he might go through one little thing where me not really want to talk about, but my mother sick now. Me can't carry nobody over there.
So take off your darkers.
Me can't always want to take off my darkers.
Me don't know, because I can't see your face over your darkers. See mother me I tell about ya.
Yeah, man, me see
Look on your face good, you know?
You see me?
man, me see.
Which way you see me?
Yes,
Me
sir.
must see you now.
Yes, sir,
Oh. Yeah, but yeah, man, that going to show me.
You know what? Me will go me. We can link you later.
Alright.
Later me I can link you. Bye-bye.
Alright. No, what kind of handshake, high five.
Alright, bye-bye.
Alright, look, come on.
You think me if you ask me if he's single?
Second, come on here. I'm not even.
You think me if you ask me if he's single?
You should have asked him, girl. But wait. Me not. Don't move on mostly, you know.
Alright.
Hello.
Hold on. What? Yes.
Me know you, know, but me act like me not know you. Me know say you there with my auntie, no.
Me there with your auntie?
Yes, my auntie.
Me no auntie.
Hey,
me not there with nobody
if
auntie.
I ever move a muscle, me chat. You have to pay
Which
him to keep
which
my
auntie me
mouth.
there with?
Just know say my auntie there with you. You have to pay him to keep my mouth. If you want month to lock up, you have to pay me.
Musha.
Just give me your half.
Me nah nothing.
You know, no.
Me nah
Alright,
nothing.
next time, you know.
Alright.
Don't make a again.
Alright. Just cool, man.
Oh, you're really good to go say to the man. I look at me, man.
Top of the guy, they know say I sit me set up your money. Come on, it's strong, you know, so in can mind with 2 hours, girl. When you get money, we can go bar, go drink something.
Okay, I'm going to buy a little, go
Drink him out. Come on.
Sis, wake up now. Girl. Me there now. Alright, come on now.
Come on, man. Yeah,
I never take long. So
Take long, mama. How? Come on. Come on, man. Call me away from you.
Hey, there's me not take long.
Boy, water look nice.
That's true. Want to see, you know?
What that? Woo!
I'm gonna see the boyfriend, you know, I like a bobby.
Since you want to fast from my business, let me tell you something. I have a little boyfriend. In the run here now. Still. Yeah. You feel a moment pay for this place, yeah?
So who?
I him paper.
He's I want me to get to see him.
Soon. Yes. You may see me later, I don't know you. You must take care of me.
Can't see it. I put a little weight for our dear.
Yes.
But barely, she has suits, such a shame of pregnant.
Here now. Lord God, mama, me not pregnant. But just ask a question. Me not think so.
Oh, you
So what make you call on pregnant for your sister?
me not call it down, but that's why. You know, I can't bother the little thing in my ears, well, isn't it?
How you would have to turn with the fit when you come.
And you got 40 and
Yeah.
no.
No, I say
Give
young.
me. I give me.
Oh. But me not got time to turn with no pitney. So you not put your foot in the water, you nasty.
Lala, so you know, you put touch no water. I'll get some eat first.
You hungry?
Yeah. So come on. Come on.
Baby, me feel like more a red Ferrari.
Red?
Yeah, me feel like red eye color. It would have matched my eyes, you know? Me feel like I'm a red one for buy. That's what me really
I
think.
promise you, say me I go buy it, but me not ready to buy it yet because you know says yesterday as you leave, my brother go come
Yeah.
and I tell me how something about farm and drought and one for something and him vegetable them everything when him plant dead out. So him want buy some tank. I me give him some money. Me transfer some money to him account. Then now he come surprise me. One shock me. I tell me how something wrong with my niece.
All I tell.
Yes, say something wrong with her heart and me have to transfer some money to him and whatever. So me tell him say me can't transfer it now. Me have to go down my bank and go do that. The amount of money for the heart, me have to definitely go in my bank to go do that.
I will leave my money for
$5 million he say.
$5 million.
Yeah. He said that feet, he said doctor them tell him that. So you see, to my niece, I love my brother, I love my niece.
Right.
Me I go do that the first and then me think about the car for you. But me promise you say me I go get the car for you. But you have to just wait until me start out my niece first.
Baby, no, not even worry about that. Not even worry about that. Now we talk about the car.
Who is that person calling you over there?
You know, I'm not sure. I'm gonna find out. Give me a second, baby.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we go meet your mother?
Me, which one, girl? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, you have come over here.
What you mean?
Me not tell us if you not come. Oh, yeah, come over here.
You think if you not come here sturdy, I want a new day now?
You can't
No, meet your mother.
You can't meet my mother today. My mother don't want to meet nobody. My mother don't want to meet. My mother not feel well. That's why they pool.
Oh, alright then. Can we go buy me ice cream then? No, I want ice cream. Me can't meet my mother-in-law then.
Sure, me not even tell us me a date. Alright, one go wait. That's me I come.
I'll there with them, you know.
One go wait. That's me I come. I come.
Alright. Let me wait.
God. Baby, would you believe? Guess who that was?
No.
I don't know. I would love for you to tell me. Who is that person?
My brother child, my niece. He must say my brother have a look a problem, so me have to go run gas off right
Your
now.
brother child?
Yeah, my
So
niece.
why didn't you come and introduce her to
Baby,
me?
that man try to explain me now an emergency, so me have to go run gas solve. So I think I say
You have to leave right now?
right now, baby.
Like
right,
seriously?
right now, as me I talk to you right now, me I waste time. So baby, I'll call you and tell her what's going on, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
Be careful.
Yeah man. I love you too. Come on.
I say you have to chat to your mother so long.
So now my mother sick. You think if you just leave my mother alone? Come on,
Mother
come on,
sick.
come on.
I be like, oh, you fool me.
Come on.
Take time with my body.
Come on.
Take time with me. This is to my virgin. Me if you there, I have to meet your mother one day. We can hide, come on, hiding thing.
I don't know though. I know right now.
I could have win.
I don't know. You know, hear me some mother not feel well. I can't know you.
Okay then, one day. We there?
Nah,
We hear say something like I say about we're not even there. We are clarifying now. We
You-
there or we not there?
you want with it?
Come foolish question you ask me.
Alright, man.
I look you. We there or we not there? My fuck, me not ask if we there. Me not ask you. Me I tell you say 2 hours we there for after today.
Alright, so tomorrow me here then, after today.
Today me and you there.
But you say after today.
Stop. Me box in your face, boy. I'm tell you say we do. We there.
You say with the after today. So
Oh no, wait about what me say a while ago. We are talking about now the present. The 2 hours we there now. You not here. You ain't get in your head.
Alright, me here then. Me see you man do for me. Me know how you man.
Come on.
You make me here there.
So you can buy ice cream?
Yeah, that what you do.
Okay.
What you do right now. So you don't so still.
Wait there.
You drive, you run to man as if you drive.
Yeah, man, 2 vehicles me have.
But then they know, come on, come put my
Left foot,
dashboard.
right foot. Come on.
I'm on Frank. Oh, son, not no wrong skills. Go have your high skills. So, where do last night? You dream about me?
Yeah, man.
You dream about me, say lion. If you dream about me.
My dream, so I see you. You know my dream.
Oh, yeah, you miss me when I go home?
Yeah, of course, I miss you. That's why my dream boy. You. If my name is Moon.
You're not no woman.
Woman? No,
Yeah.
sir.
Make sure you say that no woman, you know?
No, sir.
Me want you for myself.
Yeah, man, of course, sweetheart. Of course. No, woman, me not
Because
have.
if you have a woman, me I go have a man.
No bother with that. No bother
So
with
don't
that.
have no woman then.
No bother with that.
Equal. You can't want to have somebody, I mean if you have somebody.
Yeah, for real, no joke about it.
Okay.
You're all kind of dead today. Well, it's Sunday evening still. Yeah.
Every time you come, you're there pool, you're there pool, you're there pool. So, Mrs.
Come right here, son. Yeah, you can't make no noise at the next door neighbor them.
I saw run.
Yeah.
That's why I like my bushy place, you know, because in that bush you can shout. Anyway, you know, say, I don't know if you tell us, you know, because sometimes me feel shame.
What's the problem?
I feel shame for you beg you to you come from a friend. I don't like it. Because sometimes in your mind you go out and say, as you learn, you not got no time for yourself.
No, that's okay. Just tell me what you need. What's the problem?
Oh, more and go to supermarket. No buy the tank them, though. No buy them, and me appreciate it, and me feel like, say, it's a...
So, how much is...
So, grocery?
Yeah.
Oh, that. Normally, me always buy 1 pound of chicken, but since as you come from foreign, you can buy...
Seriously? 1 pound of chicken?
Yeah, for 2 days. We cut in half and share with 2 days. But, like when you can buy 1 bag of chickens.
I don't think you have to buy a bag of chicken. You can just buy maybe 2 or 3.
3 bags?
No, not 3 bags. 3 single chicken, like a whole chicken, you know, the whole thing.
No. You know, listen good. Me say normally me buy 1 bag.
1 bag.
And cut it in half.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you want me to do? You want me to buy you 3 bags of chicken now?
You can't
I
even...
could just transfer the money to your account. No problem.
Yes. And the grocery now, you know that the money is different.
No problem, but you got to wait until my man come back.
Not really way about him.
Yeah, because I have to talk to him about everything. Can't just do it like that.
Me I tell you, no, me feel like saying now use your money wisely, you know. You should have built a house before you reach a guest house.
That's okay. It's not expensive.
Huh?
No, it's just $35,000 a night. It's not expensive. That's cheap to what I've been paying overseas, you know?
And we there box food out of Hagboat. And you spend 35,000 a night.
It's cheap. That's not expensive.
I wish one day I could say it's cheap. Me poor daughter asked me to buy ice cream and I said that's expensive.
I can buy my niece anything she wanted.
I like that.
So don't worry about it.
I like that. So
But you know you have to get a job though. You need
to
to
the farm.
Yeah, but your farm is not acting the way you want it to act. You told me that drought and everything.
But me buy the tank.
And do you got the receipt for the tanks? Can I see the receipts?
So where did receipt?
Oh, they didn't give you a receipt when you bought them?
Me get receipt, but you have to dash. Me not go hold receipt, sure.
Oh, you throw them away?
Yeah, you can't carry back tank. In a leak.
Okay, no problem. That's okay.
Anyway.
Just want to make sure that you
I'll check you back later.
Okay, all right. No problem.
But me I beg you, keep a close eye on him. Close eye on him.
Okay.
If nothing, you call me. Anything.
Thank you for your
And watch
concern.
your bag, you know. Appear criminal. You know, watch your bag.
Okay.
Watch your bag. And you say anything, no, you know, speak patois. when they come round.
No problem. I
Yeah.
will.
Until you get out, if you fix this, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
I could
Alright.
give them some money to fix that.
No, a matter of fact, me not no chair on me yard.
Oh God.
Me thank God, me see, me some feel some ice cream no.
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Wait, me have money.
So when you say you're gonna make me meet the boy,
Eh?
when you're gonna make me meet the boy,
Soon, I don't know.
soon,
Yes.
so you couldn't come and to meet him when we are
No, I don't know.
Alright then.
Yes. I no time for you me money yet. When it's time, you will meet them.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah.
Come on. So sister, enjoy your birthday so far.
Yeah, me enjoy. Say about mommy.
No.
But now, come, mommy no call me, mommy no text me, me papa me no tab. I usually talk.
Baby, she give you a look face.
But wait, sis,
I know my man that over there, so.
me no know your man. You know your man. So if you see him over there, me take over there to find out if I him.
Baby, I'm gonna check it for my man.
Hi there.
Hello, sir. Come here, there.
Hold on there. Hold on there.
Who that there?
You see, my brother put in this here, and know my niece.
Oh, I'm finna anything. You never introduce me.
Baby, he's sick on his heart. Right now, he look like he not even go make it. I can't more go look enjoyment date. But me not even want to know, so me know you. I don't know where you think, man. Believe me.
Make sure. Anyways, my sister, me carry up on a little birthday.
Yeah, man. Do your thing, man. What you look
Alright.
like? Well, come. Sure.
Yeah, later.
Alright, baby.
Sit down. Oh, that girl there.
Baby, I want girl, in come and ask me for some silver. Me have to say, hey girl, move from here, you're bright. You see me, I'm on the pan date. And I beg me silver. Me I say, girl, you know,
talk so long.
me have to put her in her place. Look on her.
No, me not look on her. Me look on the girl beside her, cause me know that one there right so me see her in a lane.
Oh, me don't know her. Oh, yeah.
TMT.
Me don't know her name. They tell us, look on her, look on her, me there, so.
Me have a look for the girl what make me man get up, go let's go chat. And me and her so having our time and you get to go talk to woman about silver. She couldn't make a silver so.
My baby, what I feel one way for ask in front of you. But moving on from that. Yeah, me I tell us ice cream did mad, man.
Me I tell her say your body me want. So me get to the chase. You take too long to give me the body. That me I talk about. You don't want me come over?
Yeah, of course, but me I tell us, yeah, me and my mother, you want me come over for your yard?
No, me want come a villa. Me there my yard every day.
But me not there, me there feel like every day.
That's why if I come there, book another room. Don't you have money?
Who tell us, sir?
Me not know me ask.
Me never tell us me have money.
Me dey ask if you have money. You know the difference? Me not tell us you have money. Me ask if you have money.
Me have money, but my money tie up right now. Me I spend it on
Anti.
my mother sick. Me I spend it on her
What
medication.
kind of sickness your mother have, so?
You know,
Take
yeah.
off your dark eyes. More look in your eyes.
Girl, every time, so.
Every time I look in your eyes, me fall in love. Me look in your eyes. My
Me I
eyes.
tell
them
us,
is
say,
there.
my mother sick. He sick inside. So me have to spend a whole heap of money. The X-ray, body scan, CT scan, cat scan, dog scan, alligator pan.
You see, all of them scan me I talk about, me don't know about them. And not really my business that still. But what me I talk about is that, me they know, and you go lay down some ground rules. Me very jealous.
Me see that.
And me mad.
Me see that too.
You see, next time me they know when a woman come, me pull you by your head. You hear? I will hold on to this. And how you come slum back, you hear? Me beat you.
You know,
Cause me a mad girl, you know. I mean, if I dash you over this in the water, in the case if it didn't talk me too long, me dash you over this, you know.
Come in and run a joke with me, man. Me and my man can right say you gonna chat to girl. Yeah, idiot. It chat so long. Look pan her too. Look pan her too. You gonna chat to her? You know me and not Nino. Right now me yard, me want get no, me want go no. Me get grimy. Me ready.
Watch out, man.
Me
Come
ready
on,
now.
come on,
No.
Come on.
Me know what I want to do. Come, get up, man. You know like them a dirty style, yeah.
Since you know, say, you can't that stuff. Like a chat, but you know, say, when you put this, me da walk, go know a place, must say she, at where me name, come from.
So what's your question, Afa?
Me don't know, I'm just answer because I don't know how too hard to be sitting.
She's not trying to chat me, I'm not busy about her.
Say, man.
Yeah, my boyfriend, but I did say I must see some needs relevant and she have cancer.
So, she got it. So, I'm care out. So, now somebody else gonna care out.
Me ready.
Me too. Come on.
Me so ready.
Come on.
Make sure you enjoy the cake. Can't say me not buy you nothing for your birthday. You have to enjoy it. You must love me. You don't love your sister.
Yeah, me.
Come on.
I can't believe it at a time. But we're gonna put that behind us, right?
Yeah, man, have to do that. Have to do that.
So now we're going up, go lie down.
No, I'm going home and you're going home also. You just have to follow me. You have to go rub my mother foot them now. And my mother sick, as me I tell her. And even when I come over there, me I tell her, say, you cannot come over there. You remember, so that is the reason why me go buy you the ice cream. You don't remember? You don't remember in your head?
You know me remember? But me think it's hard to see one hard, strong, healthy woman sitting on the poolside. Talking to you. You even telling her, I love you. And, hello. You say last time I have one man. And trick me and tell me say that girl then cousin and never cousin, you know. Not trick me and tell me say your mother, and not your mother, you know.
Girl, move from yourself. I'm for with my mother. You idiot.
Me never say that.
Go on home.
Hello, I saw me leave, remember. You damn puppy show. And wait for me.
I'm for with my mother.
Me not say that with your mother. Me not say that. Me a say, don't tell me say your mother and it's not your mother. That me a chat about. Cause man a liar and wicked. And go ahead, I'm a saint, you know. No saint, you know.
One and a saint.
Yo.
Girl, 3 times I baptized. One a saint.
That not nothing to do with me when you tell you lie them.
Me not tell
The
you.
relationship just start away for the argue. We gonna put that behind you too.
Are you
And your mother. But me I say something cause that's what they trick me one time.
What?
Hello, Mama. The boy when me see a ice cream shop with you yesterday, Iowa.
So why you question me now?
What mean? I'm just ask you one question.
Let me ask you a question. The boy will come beg the silver the ice cream shop, Iowa.
What mean? No, me not beg him no silver.
Well, we worry about if you man or not, we worry about it. What a problem? I see next time you see me sit down and eat ice cream and somebody, do not come and interrupt me.
Why?
You don't have no manners. You can interrupt boy beg by silver.
You see me beg him no silver. You didn't take your hand see me.
A wine step.
You didn't take your hand see me.
Me didn't focus on you.
Silver.
Me didn't focus on you. Me a eat.
Alright, no.
But it's when you come call him.
Yeah.
And what you do over here? You live over here?
Yes.
So you...
My man one is.
Your man own over here, so?
Yes.
So what about one other man for when your man own this one?
My man about that nice. Let's talking. Bye. Have a great day.
So girl, tell her why my girl love greedy, you know.
Yes, my sister. I tell you. So,
Let me call you back.
let's talk about business though, because my daughter and his mother they on my case. Then they on my case.
What are you talking about?
The $5 million for your heart surgery, man.
Oh, the money.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that I promised you for my niece. Okay. Remember I told you what I have to get done before I can send that money to you.
So I'll get it tomorrow.
I'm not sure because I have something else to sort out. So as soon as I get it done, I'll go straight to the bank and then I'll just send it to your account.
Every minute the mother they on my case. You get the money, you get the money, you get the money, you get the money.
She know that I'm gonna do it. All
Yeah,
she
she
have to
know.
do just wait a little bit more.
Believe in you. So where peace a man there?
Oh, just give him some money to do some adventurous stuff.
I'm there, I would have walked for adventure, you know, long me like garden or farm and I'm never explore nothing. More than joke. That's the only thing I explore, nothing, not to look water. Thank you for the two tank them, but you're not going to
But
say,
one day we both can go with our niece, if you don't mind, but we can't do it right now.
oh God. So, you're not in the US.
Not on me right now. I think it's in my room, but I'm a bit busy. I'm just waiting on the waitress to come over here to serve me some juice.
Yeah.
Tasty.
Jesus is Lord. And when me there yard, me have to get up myself go mix it. I sugar water never can come.
No, are you crazy? I'm in Jamaica.
You know, just, we drink
No, it's Purple Rain they're gonna give to me.
Purple who?
Purple Rain and Sex on the Beach. Haven't you ever drink that before?
Drink Sex on the Beach?
Sex on the Beach. It's a
Why would I want to drink that nasty in there? What?
No, you don't understand. It's nice. You can try it. Purple Rain,
Me-
Sex on the Beach, Bob Marley.
Me if it drinks sex.
No, you're thinking the wrong way now. I'm not on about that. I'm talking about the juice that they blend up and put stuff together. It tastes real nice. You can try it.
Oh. You mean blended fruit punch?
No, blended fruit. All right. Blended fruit punch is totally different from Sex on the Beach. And it's totally different from Bob Marley, Purple Rain, Pina Colada. You know, like.
No, me no pina colada. This song is it's like a pina colada.
Banana daiquiri, strawberry daiquiri. You know those kind of juice you have to.
Banana
You know
daiquiri
what?
from your
I'm
farm,
gonna-
but
listen.
from your farm banana. I first never hear that name. Banana daiquiri.
Yeah.
So banana didn't name daiquiri?
You don't understand. I'm gonna take you to the hotel and make you have some nice juice. Sometimes you can have some nice food. You choose what you like.
Me love me sugar and water. Me not make never blend you fool me. Too much chemical no good.
But I used to drink that too, but I'm tired of that. But I can take you out so you can have some nice, cool sex on the beach. Tastes
You
very
pay
nice.
the woman them and me get the sex from the beach.
No, it's not like that. It's a different thing. I'm on about juice. You're not listening to me.
The last time we go up on the beach, you know, my sister, and you go on the bartender, I say to the bartender, what kind of juice you have start with C? Because a man said, if you ask that, and say cocktail, me say, me run.
Why?
What made the cocktail?
It's nice. You can have it.
What made the man? Cocktail!
It's a juice. It's very nice.
So why me would I want something in cocktail?
No, you can try it. It's juice.
You better than call it.
Because you don't understand and you never have that experience before by having certain type of different juice.
I never,
Or smoothie.
from me know myself, the only place I go to is the beach where you're swimming and come back and you come mix with sugar and water. Sometimes you can bread and bully beef. You remember them days with ice and syrup? Right.
I still eat corned beef in sandwich. It's very nice. You can do it with your meal.
We can't afford it though.
I could take some for you when I'm coming down back.
Jesus, I know you're talking. And that's it. You're my blood. Much, man.
It's not expensive over there, you know. Only in Jamaica I see so many expensive stuff. I don't know why
I'm
they're
gonna
doing
tell
this to all
you,
these people.
dear. A 2 pound of chicken that, you know. 1 bully beef, 2 pound of chicken that, you know.
Did you take your phone with you?
Nah, I gotta tell them who's cook.
I could send you 200,000 now.
To who?
200,000 Jamaican, but I'm still gonna give you the 5 million.
Ah, boy. Oh,
I could
God.
just transfer it straight to your account right
Oh,
now. Just give me
God.
your phone and I can do it.
No, I'm gonna have the phone, man. Use your phone.
My phone is on charge in my room.
Now move. 200 who?
200,000 Jamaican, that's nothing.
Huh?
That's nothing. $1 is $1 in our country.
A dollar is nothing here. A dollar is a dollar in your country. A dollar is nothing here.
So what are you telling me? That your money doesn't value anything here?
If you come like you never buy, you're going like you never buy there. $1 can buy not one bubble gum. Not even a Whistler. Remember, say $1 could have buy a Whistler, can't buy it again. $5 for one Whistler.
I was born here, but I grew up in the state. You remember that?
Yeah, that's why your father should have carry me. But through me and a film, carry me.
Because remember, don't get it twisted. You know that when they do the DNA, you was, jacket,
No, man,
the
he could
DNA
have-
was
he-
wrong.
he
He's
could have-
not your daddy.
He could have bribed them.
I'm so sorry. I'm gonna look about your papers to see if I can get you over.
Oh, that God. I salute you, sis. I salute you.
You know I love you as my brother from long time.
I
I'm
salute
gonna
you.
always take good care of you. Anything you need, just tell me. I'll just let you get it.
I want to say, watch that boy there. Just
You're
watch
talking
him.
about my man.
Yeah,
Why?
watch.
All the time you're just constantly talking about him. You don't you like him?
I was once a gigolo. I was once a con man. And I know what is a gigolo.
What's a gigolo? What do you mean? You're talking about gigolo? What's that? Does that mean that he have a lot of nice stuff and things like that?
No.
What's that?
A gigolo mean you look woman for them things. You pimp them out. Date only one woman and a pure rich woman. You come and you take me. A gigolo will come and take your money and take you give next woman.
Well,
Some gigolo will take your money and drink out and turn cruff after a while. Some of them walk on road and mad out.
well, I don't think he's like that.
All
He's not
right.
that type of person. We both been together for a while, and I think I know him very well.
Remember I said me they warn you, I warn you.
I think you don't like him though.
From
He's your brother-in-law. Why can't you just show some love?
brother-in-law.
Yeah, he's your brother-in-law.
Until the day him buy me a car, he can call me
Oh,
brother-in-law.
so that's the reason why you don't like him. I can get you a car.
All right. He's my brother-in-law, my one and only brother-in-law. One and only brother-in-law. Yeah, man, no problem. What kind of car?
I don't know what kind of car you need. You just need to go around to the car marts and look and choose which one you need, and then you tell me.
All
I'll
right.
get it for you.
You see, to me a farm, in the farm, and I don't want pressure you. Nobody buy me a car, just buy me a van. So we can drive around and sell the vegetable them.
Okay, just figure out the price and let me know, and then whatever.
No, just get me a van. When we can drive and sell my goods them.
Okay, so just go to the car mart and let it tell you the price, and then you get back to me.
When I F-150, the 2026 them, the new one when they come out. Electric start and gas.
Okay.
So when we there, we
So
can
don't you have to license and insure it, or you just drive car for free in Jamaica? You don't have to do that.
sis, in a them time of life, yeah, worry about no license, nothing. Me just buy it. I'm have to do a borrow two of my friend them plate and put it on it. And go around a thief and people stickers off of them car put
Oh
on
my
it.
God, this is unserious. Like seriously?
Yeah man, I can bribe the
You
police
have to
them.
license and insure cars in Jamaica?
Listen how this run. You see, you don't have to really license it, You just drive it. When them boy they tap your car, so we call them, them boy there.
Who are you talking about?
The police them. That's how we call them out here. Them boy here.
Okay.
You see when they in the run car now, we are signal the one and I said, them boy they run so. Yeah. So when we go around there, them ever hungry. Ever hungry. Jamaican police them, licky. When them tap you just
Aren't you scared talking about the police like that?
listen me. Them boy there You see once them tap you, sis. You just give them a $5,000, have them that lunch. And just squeeze it. Just take time squeeze it, so give them. That's what they like, They like when they squeeze out the money in their
So you don't
pocket.
think they could charge you for bribing or something like that?
No, man. They have a style like this.
That's bribing.
No. They have a style like this. So when they tap you, they ask you left or right. So, if I'm near you, I say left. Don't say right. Can you write your ticket?
So in Jamaica, which one of the side you guys drive on? We drove on the right hand side in the state.
No, we drive on the left because we are left-handed. We full.
Oh.
We backward.
Why are you saying that?
No, we backward because the government put you in a cage.
Somebody's calling me. You can excuse me, please, and let me talk to somebody. I need to talk to someone.
All right. Anything you say, no?
Have a nice day, bro.
May I check my phone and go? Let me see to you're lying, you know?
No, this is my man's phone. I can't do it, and he's gonna see the amount of money that I sent to you.
All right. Anything you say.
Somebody's calling me.
I'll check it later, yeah?
Okay.
Tomorrow.
My heart hurt me. Oh Lord Jesus Christ.
Well, your heart up here the same way?
Yeah.
Boy, I don't know that. It took me a while to get the money from my sister. But tell your mother, so we say, if you make sure that one of the Chinese art they been putting in you, make sure it is a good, firm, brand new heart.
Oh, she gonna know that.
No, second hand one. Oh, because we notice up here, second hand, we don't buy 5 million she asks. We don't ask her, 5 million we get.
No man, this heavy. Jesus.
That's the power of money.
Okay, bye.
So me not think I hope you should have go. Alright.
No.
Eh?
Oh yeah. That's it. Bye, daddy.
Yeah man, bye. Take care, spend it well.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Oh Lord, thank you God me get it. Oh yeah, run go girl. Girl, me get the money from daddy.
Yeah, tell.
Girl, feel about every 5 million I could never believe.
So give me 1 minute if you no chat now.
Me can't get 1 million, girl. Remember, movie money, you know, me can't pinch piece. Me can't get one look 100,000.
Alright, that not bad still, so me get it. That not bad. I can't believe you don't really trick the man and get through.
Yeah, girl.
Oh,
My friend probably
God.
so.
Only God know, girl.
Weird.
What happened?
But the money this?
Hold off your money. Now your father get, I say I give 5 million.
No.
Oh, give me money.
My backside. Hey, we are trying to trick daddy and daddy trick we instead to
No,
backside.
I'm not tricking trick you. This is a trick.
Where
This is
can I
big
hear?
time idiot. Me all peasy.
Peas.
Me bumbo. I feel me backside.
I can't believe you really do me this.
But you and your might a piece of clown. Una chicken up on a pattern and chicken no. No, sir.
Yeah, me
I never
No.
say this.
Then when time mommy see this, mommy not go cuss, girl.
He's a piece of fool. Yeah, your mother will lie. That I'm waste my time and life. You know, wait for him the 5 million so me I get a 1 million out of it.
I mean, I put my mind panic, girl. When what's there? Sugar and peas.
What a good thing your heart never sick and dead.
Dead.
Your pa wicked bad. Why in there?
Me left him gone, so girl.
Me I go so cause I saw the money then I so you go on, yeah, you go on.
yeah.
Waste my time.
No, sir.
I see you. After your car girl gone an ice cream shop yesterday, you never and you have me up at the house in the room lock up for hours and your car girl gone buy ice cream. Eh? What kind of style that?
Oh, me not tell her say I'm my niece. I tell her say I'm my brother
I
child.
know your niece.
I'm over then.
Me di come beg a silver?
What kind of beg silver?
You tell the girls say me beg a silver. Me di beg a silver?
Baby, home for tell the girls say I beg my silver.
Stop telling me
Baby,
lie.
me don't walk with silver. I walk with US and pounds. You for beg my silver. Baby, if you come and beg my silver, I run away. You can't beg me no
So
silver.
why you tell the girls say me
Baby,
beg a silver?
why you feel like me tell girls I beg your
Because me
silver?
attack her.
Who?
The girl.
Why?
The long, tall, maga girl.
My niece.
I know your niece.
I'm over.
Me don't know your what. Look at the harlot. Who she a call harlot, babes?
Where you do over here?
Babe, we are coming here over here. I'm afraid to when you me come to.
You tell us if you not come over here.
L.O. You're over here, so me go come over here.
Me tell us if you not come over here.
Me not listen when man talk to me. Go over. Niece, I deal with us up.
Can I baby? Baby, just
Alright, well, we not this together.
ignore him.
Alright, babe.
So where you come over here and I'm going bad for? Me tell us if you not come over here, post my mother come see
Who
you.
that?
Post my mother come see you. What you do over here?
You must see your mother sick. Your mother not gonna realize me there.
Come.
Me not left.
Come. My mother no want see you over here.
Make sure you go too.
Come no man. Come
No man.
in no man.
You have your man that own all of this and you still want my man? You have your man that own everything, yes sir.
Hey, remember
I
say
still want my man.
one man, you know.
What more than one man, girl? One man me have.
Come no man.
What?
Come no man. Stop.
Where you go? So you not tell she if you move? Yes, the mother-in-law.
Hey, babe. What's up?
What baby?
Who this ya?
Hi.
I'm there tattoo. Stranger, me say come and beg me son silver.
Why you have no rub up on me mother-in-law so? Mother-in-law. See the girl ya want to take me man.
Me want to take your man and you want to take my man.
No girl, I'm my man.
Girl, it's my man. This is my man.
I said, girl, talk about. Girl, is it about my man? no?
Excuse me now.
Girl, he's the papa of my man.
Girls, what's wrong with you people? You see me there with my wife. You know no manners.
What? Your wife?
What? So you put the wife over me?
Baby. Who are these
But
people?
yeah,
Baby,
yeah.
go call security.
Yeah,
man.
go.
Just tell me what's going on
Me
right
don't want
here.
no wife.
Stop the fighting.
Me
You guys
woman.
don't need to fight. What's going on here?
No, man. I'm my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
As me, I said, no, my
Okay.
mother-in-law.
What's your name?
I'm Riri.
Your name is Riri. Where are you from?
I come from the ghetto.
Ghetto. Okay.
So sit down, come and talk me.
You want me to sit beside you?
Yeah, you can sit down.
Okay.
So you say, are your son?
My son.
Yeah, are your son?
Who dare you to speak to me like that?
Yeah, me, my mommy, I speak to you.
That's my man.
Eh? And me man that there.
Girl, I'm stop coming over and tell her, baby, call security. Man, them no baby. Baby, call security no.
Call security for your liar self.
Baby,
Where you take this thing for?
baby, call security.
Why are you
Man,
talking like that?
Eh,
baby, look man, and two
Oh,
butter
you
food.
this is my man.
Oh,
Yeah.
you say your mother sick. And
Baby.
she attack.
Oh, you say your mother.
She
Talk to
sick.
me now.
Oh, she
Baby.
attack. Nothing to
Baby,
her.
look man, and two
How you
butter
say
food,
this?
girl. Why they over with
Me a
this
butter
house?
foot girl.
Why not, baby? Come on.
But when I did up in the bed in up there so with me, I never know say me a butter foot.
Yeah, man. Shito, baby, Shito.
Who dare you? Who dare you to speak to my man like that? Who dare you?
Yeah, baby.
Jesus Christ.
Get away, liar.
You need to get your hands off me. I don't understand what's going on right here. You're not telling me the truth.
Baby, what you mean?
What is going on?
Baby,
She owned you. She just talked right in front of your eyes that she is your woman.
Baby, me don't own her. Baby, me don't own her, baby.
You're a nice girl. You know I like you.
I like you too. I'm my brother.
Oh, he's your brother. From another mother that I don't know.
Yeah, you ever know say I'm a mouth that slip all along.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. You know sometimes we do make mistakes.
Huh?
We
yes.
do make mistakes.
We do make mistake, but mistake man go
Yeah,
and
we
know
does. We does. Yeah.
Oh God.
Baby, as me I tell her, baby,
So,
that girl there, I mean, no.
What's going on right here? Can
Baby.
you just speak the truth
Baby,
for one
baby,
time in
baby.
your life?
God, baby, God
You
has
put
my...
her hurt me.
Shh, let me talk to my wife. Baby, God as my witness. I don't know that girl. She come over here and I beg me some money. And
I know you're talking the truth.
Baby. You
It's your
remember you
brother?
tell me if you said no.
What? Is he related to you?
Yes, I'm a brother.
He related to you?
Yes.
Oh
I'm a
my
brother.
God.
Baby,
This guy related to you.
Yes, I'm a brother.
remember how you said me need to start saying no. I know me, I tell
I
her
need to
that's
ask the question again. This girl related to you.
Yes,
She's
baby.
your sister.
Yes.
Oh my God. So why didn't you tell me that from the long time when we just met?
Baby, sister love beg. I try keep her.
Me love beg
That
for
long
you.
time when we just met?
Baby,
Yes.
You should have told me.
Baby, I'm
Me love beg, me beg a lot.
Baby, I'm only
Always
two of them
begging,
come and
okay?
beg and
Yes.
I tell her,
I
I
know
tell
you
them
always
no.
begging.
I tell them no.
But
baby.
I like this one.
Yes.
She's a nice girl.
Boy.
But you're pissing me off. You think I'm stupid? You take me for an idiot? Like seriously?
Baby, with what?
Who dare you to keep a woman with me? Not even one, but two?
Baby, me don't know.
So all my money that I gave to you, oh my God, my brother was talking the truth.
Baby, I don't know them.
Who dare you to come and take my money and use it on another woman?
Baby, me not, look on
Who
them.
the heck you think you
Baby,
are?
Nobody not take care of them. How am I use money from them? Baby,
Oh,
come now,
shit.
come now.
Listen,
No bother with it.
all this time,
Go just go in our
you
room.
play with my mind.
No,
Really?
no.
So I love somebody that doesn't love me.
Baby, me love
I
you.
spend all my life saving on you. I was even planning to buy you a car. Like, seriously?
Baby, no bother with that, man. We
Who
still can't.
dare you to come and speak to me like this?
Babes, you know,
And act up in my life like
Me
this?
see two girls for the speed.
Telling me lies.
Speed out as a wet. A ball.
Hey, bro, you know that everything you told me about this guy that I
Gigolo.
fell in love with,
Who's
he's
gigolo?
a gigolo. You told me that.
baby, who tell you that word there?
He told me about gigolo.
Baby, I him a jiggle. You know what jiggle mean?
Yes, he told me that when you have more than one woman, you is a gigolo.
I was once. But
Like, seriously, you done this to me, right?
Baby, I
them
know
two
so it
sexy
go.
chicks
How you
over
come
there.
and tell me now she's
I
your
don't even-
sister and she's the niece and she's the cousin?
I went to.
Who am I to you?
I went to.
Baby, I'm a wife.
I'm a stranger.
Yeah, I'm
When
one
do-
and only.
No, I'm
When
not
do-
your
when
one
do-
and only
when
because
do-
you have too many.
Went to.
But brother, come on, boy. Your
Those
business,
two
no, man.
girls that you saw running by,
Them two hot chicks there.
I just come and catch him right here with them.
I never see smoke without fire. I tell you see it?
He
Young-
spent all my money on those two
Exactly.
and
Young,
maybe more.
young and sexy.
You really
Yeah.
done this to me.
Swim as they
Baby,
can
I'm
live
sorry,
up. They
go.
two chang film.
Can you explain yourself? You don't have nothing good to tell me right
Yeah, I know
now.
so it go. I know some make some mistakes.
Are you telling me that's not the way?
Just listen to
Oh,
me. Just
shit.
listen to me now.
Alright, you me, I'm good news. Me not busy today. Come tell us say, I'm a gigolo long time. You see the $5 million we give me for my daughter surgery? Me realize it's a scam. So me use it by the van. So nobody buy me no van, my sister. Me use it by it. I give my daughter $10 in the bank. We go catch her. Cause
So,
Baby,
bro,
see scammer,
are
you
you
know.
telling me that?
Baby, this is scammer, you know.
Oh,
How
shit.
this him? How
that
this
is
him?
a scam?
No.
Take your filthy hand off me. Don't you dare touch me.
You see what
I don't want you in my life anymore.
Let me-
You're a liar and you're a cheater. You're a womanizer. You know what?
Jigga.
I felt like just chucking you over the pool, you know?
No, you
Just
know-
leave me alone.
You know what? It's-
Leave me damn alone. I don't want you back in my life. You're so stupid.
Oh, you can't put in a word for me, man.
Whoa! Me? And you know, love one get rid of you to my sister life.
Oh, you can't want to get rid of me.
The Ferrari way do you get? Boom, boom, boom. I mean that.
Father God.
Seriously, you want to talk to me about now, sis?
You know someone go look on work?
No, sir. You just left school the other day, you turn 19. You plan to go work for people already?
I just want to work because more maintain for my own.
Well, you're lucky you can't go look work. Me not look no work. You better think about party and go live life. You talk
No,
about
girl.
work.
Party not go nowhere.
But party not go nowhere.
It only take money out of your pocket.
When you go party, you enjoy yourself, you enjoy life. You don't know when God come for you.
So if you don't have no money, how you gonna enjoy life?
Well, as you say, you would go work. When you work, you give me half of the money. Simple as that.
No, girl, you better take a look at job for yourself.
No, me don't want to work. Me don't feel like me need no work. Me don't feel like me supposed
But
to
me not work for me and you.
Hello, you're a bigger one. Me not think I time for my work yet. Me very young. Me just want to live my life and party. I think I'm supposed to work.
But you know, so God bless you with 2 hand and 2 foot though. You have to have sense.
I feel like God bless you with too much mouth. And that me feel like God bless you with too much mouth. You chat too much.
Well, you lucky.
Me not feel like me want to work. Me don't
Well,
be
me
like my
want
father.
work.
Me I be like my father.
You lucky.
Don't work, just go to run bar. Me I be like daddy.
You gonna run bar.
My work don't care. What kind of work you go look now? What kind of work you plan to look?
Any work.
Any work like what kind of work?
I'll go in a one bar, in a one shop, anything. Once me I make money.
Oh. Me I want to work at one strip club. Me can get to that work then.
No, me
You
no
will get
want
tips.
No, me no
You
want
will get
that.
tip.
No. You gonna go to the go-go.
No, me no want to go work. What go good?
Me there, girl, you don't know what I say. Last night, me have a piece of mix-up to tell you. Make me sit down. You don't come with mix-up.
Sit down. Sit down and chat.
You don't know what I say last night. After me asleep, girl, I'm a deep sleep. Me hear so nice. Wake me up out of my sleep. So me think, now your friend Shanice, man.
I do her.
You know she and her man. Round there.
I do things there.
Yes. Me think I did things she did that. Me think I did things she did that do. But she never did that do nothing. I lick she da get under her skin.
Hello, you tell.
So lick the boy girl. You know see you two mix up?
Jesus Christ.
You two mix up. What me mix up with? Imagine coming to me and my sister talk and come between the two and even say excuse her good morning.
No, so come over here, so. Sit down over here, so come over that side.
You two mix up too.
Sit down. You sit down. Let me focus on me and tell me now.
me did that say.
So imagine all the girls that she love bad man. And she might do her
But you know no manners. You know no manners.
What's wrong with you?
You know no manners.
Your sister. Come walk, go up the road and talk. And you must see them. Come with talk.
Sit down back there, so.
You're not
two mix
because
up.
you're the bigger one. Talk man and go me.
But you feel here.
No, sir.
Your mother.
No.
You catch her back another time.
I'm looking
at say.
Eh.
Friend lead you astray. You hear she's not a good friend.
you go lead her astray?
Mama, go on. Me don't feel like me a take no beating right now. Go on.
Alright, me and you we talk.
Later.
But me see my girl hospital.
Bye.
Yes.
Girl, me not talk to me, girl.
Hello. You see the next day, see me and my friend attack? Don't try come drip me and
That's
push
the
me.
the way you have.
You see true, you're bigger one. Me dey go listen to you. See them
You
and
watch
talk about the work.
them from morning.
No, me not supposed to wash clothes. No, you're the bigger one. Mama, go over go wash the clothes them.
But you know no
Go over
manners.
wash the clothes them. I'm supposed to wash the clothes. A cool breeze me a catch right now. Me hot.
God gave you 2 hands for a reason.
And me feel like God give you too much words in your mouth. You chat too much.
At least me they
Go
tell
on
you the
over.
truth.
Go on over, please. Please go on over, go wash the clothes them. Go do something.
Me nah wash none, me sorry.
Like you're in an argument with me today. I mean, I'm not that with you right now. So I'm going to go over. Make me be the person
Wash
and
two
go on
for me
over.
them too.
Me say, me no know what to kill her sister she. No, sir. Why from kill her mother gone? She just going like she the bigger one, so. I deal with the little girl. Oh, there. Me rotted. Me want ask you one nice. Oh, there. You know, hear me they talk to you.
Me and deal.
So coulda who else? Me not see nobody else, so. What make you beat the woman so last night?
You know what I'm saying?
Why you so cruel? When you not fi beat woman, you know?
So what you do? You want to do or listen to my business?
No, me lie down. Me did this sip and ear at the bar. Me think I did moan she da moan, but I never moan she da moan at all. I lick take her.
Alright, I'm ask you something, Zine. Want you tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right.
Yeah, me go tell you.
No, see me if I'm bored them. I always go pick up a piece of food from. Always deal with some transaction for me.
Yes.
So I always left for a yard on the block, pick up the food them and come back. You know, so one day I'm tired. Yesterday I'm tired. I'm saying mama go pick up the food from my bad dog them. I'm saying go pick up 500k. You know, say come like when mama reach on there. The rest of the money when must getting it kinky.
Get kinky.
It mean, you know, say chop him make a bad dog then chop him.
But he might eat that
No, one
man.
of them. When I say chop, I don't even know what I mean. Jump in, make them jump in fence. And give him 10,000 extra for himself. It's a lunatic girl that come from me. I kill me to kill her, you know. I tell you this, when she come back on the ends. Listen me man, you know, when she come back on the ends. I go to Boomson and he give me money. Say she go all her fresh. I wonder, oh, he go all her fresh and me this send him go out down the road and come back. And he bed before he left. He go all her fresh and come back and now. Say he want him battery for charge. Say you know, when I put him down on the bed, let him charge and plug in. As I plug in the same time, his battery start overheat. Radiator start overheat.
Oh God.
You have to give him back my charger fast.
Oh God.
That time I find out say boy then going in wall.
Jesus Christ.
After me plug up my charger, can you
That
give
no
me back
good
fast
again.
and that never used to happen first time. I find out say somebody going in blurring out hole.
That no good again. I done it done.
I'm getting me no murder it over there.
I done it done.
I choose me have ratings for her, you know. And me have love for her, you know.
I understand.
Yo, that's why me not pronounce that.
No, but
So
I
you
pronounce
hear
that.
beating around there and beat. You think I beat me if you beat if you in my position. What you that do?
But I pronounce that.
So you tell me about me a beat woman around the sun.
Come
Look
me
here just in
think.
hand alone injure. Cause that fi teach him say when he see money he shut in your eye. If he put in hand pan it, I chop it I go chop off next time. Where's my bad dog them?
Why have to just take time with her?
No plan to stay with her for too long still, you know.
Look so.
Look more charge more and get out of the machine. And then look more me just
But I say
Keep him
the machine functions alright.
see, you
It
know,
a
say,
overheat.
yeah, that's why I tell you, I just want more look more charge out of it and then I'm gone.
Okay.
So you know say like yeah right girl for me start link
Me?
with. I mean because you just stop here everything want go on plus me tell you what go on. Can't get for nowhere.
Yes, I can get to know me, no problem.
Tell you what, I don't want too much talking on the road now. Just give me a number. And we kick it from there. And make sure you don't stay like her and make sure you use the things, you know.
Of course, me used to things. There's nothing in this world I'm not used to. Alright, you just call me.
If you save it as
Riri.
Riri,
Riri.
like bad girl Riri.
Bad girl, Riri.
Suck off me.
No, sir, I'm not the one.
Alright.
Watch this one here. Watch him. Where am I going to tell me I know? Watch him. Look hungry. Oi there! What are you doing?
Me there now, girl.
Come here.
Let me never want to stop and chat to you, you know.
You come here, girl. Walk on.
Me there.
Oh. Is everything alright?
Yes. Yeah, still a notice so. Oh yeah, I beg this morning.
Me don't beg a thing, I just relax me around to cook. So how are you? Make you high. How are you?
What go on way?
How are you?
Me drop.
You drop.
You there?
Mama. Tom jump, but Tom no fool. You drop?
Mama, me drop and me hand cut out.
Stop telling me like girl. They know you can't lie to me.
Look at you did drop instead of me.
Because every lick you get last night, they me hear them. They just a connect so.
Oh, well anything you say.
They just a connect like Wi-Fi.
Anything you say, mama, anything you say.
So what going with the hand? Come here, do
Me drop.
You don't drop.
Alright, then if you hear really quiet, ask me Riri.
Come here, me no know what good down. So me ask you what good down.
Anything you hear, say go. Run with it. You want add more, add more. You want take off, take
Go me
off.
I go. Come can't talk to you.
You have a right to can't talk to me because I don't know for your
Time
break.
man beat out your raw. What you do last night? Man give you some lick. You. I can't tell me about your drop. Damn idiot.
On the road, that's the man.
Listen to me.
Where you come from?
Listen to me now. Don't question me. Do not question me.
Yeah, what you tone in?
Me not turn it on now. Me not turn it on. Listen to me now and listen to me clearly. You
You see, next time you beat me and feel like you can't go, we go tell nobody. A station me I go and me personally I come up here with the police them feel. So when you think say you go to the go scandal say you beat me, they say that. Try again. Just try again.
You don't
They
talk.
come in a robot and me go, that's all they're good for.
Yeah.
Big and walk, please. Come like them crow.
Wait. Read easy. Okay, so this. And we mash it up again. Watch your tone in a voice. In my place. I'm wearing my phone. Hey, me even can't answer that yet. Yo. Listen to me. Look man when me chat to you. This one make me damage you sometime. Okay, you now learn. You see next time.
And me a walk for you damage me next time. Cause the next time you damage me, a station me a go in and me don't tell you already, you know.
Be a talk, man. You see next time I say I go pick up something. And you make your man then jump the fence and grow on my thing. You see what happened to you in here.
Watch,
Yeah.
watch.
I say, you see what happened to you in here. You see if I this what they put your head and make you feel so. You see what happened to you in here. You hear me say? You know what to? You come talk up your mouth, you know. I'm put on you. She don't want me kill you and get. Yo, me tell you this man. Yo, you see next time you come in here, you watch your mouth. Since when you go up on the road, you hear nothing, you come to me, you come ask me pleasant about
Not
that.
asking nothing. But you walk a scandal me name for. You have all right to go to people and tell them boy you like me.
Oi, your mouth.
Your face.
I said to watch your mouth. And don't make me hurt you in here, no. You
You
not
say
tell
I walk for me damage and you sleeping a little boy.
Oh, you call little boy.
You me a call so.
Yo.
Leave me.
Yo.
Leave me. No, leave me. Last
You-
night me did junk, tonight me active, leave me.
Oh, so you did junk when you go up on the hands too.
Yes.
You go talk about yes in here. Yo, me tell you this man. Yo, me tell you this. Careful what you're doing.
Hello. Breathe
Here.
easy. Breathe easy. Oh.
Listen,
Now
sir.
what I'm promised so again.
See that hand ya? Go on same way. Broke me go broke that one ya. Go on same way. And me done it talking.
The same man them you
Here.
send me to on the ends me make come feel. I put me have
I eat that man.
ramp with me.
I run that the hands the man. And I run that the hands. The only thing say me know what go on. You go back. And the man them say all no good. So me tell you that I'm a fool if stay in that same way.
You come here.
That's a girl, yeah.
How you look so vexed? I want my tear.
Woman, not do me alright. What happened? What you want?
You know some here something boy you do?
We are here. I must be little brown, knobbeard, long foot, dirty man when me have done the yard.
No,
you
you know, no.
No,
I the
wait
one
here.
arena. So right there, so my sister and she come between the two of we talk.
Rina. Riri attack.
Yeah.
So after Riri make me think say like a dirty football.
Girl, she's not a good friend. Me I tell you, she not good at all. Me I try brought my sister out her company and it now work. Just I got 2 years and I come back
So
to the
where
other.
your sister then now?
She don't get yard a wash.
Alright, anyways, thanks for the news. Me a good one right now. Me,
Alright,
me
good
want
girl.
to Riri.
Alright. Boy, the sun hot. I should have lied on my bed under the sun AC
What
right
the
now.
hell?
That's the other sun, that tree.
Yeah.
Look here.
Oh God. Oh, watch out. Pretty girl there, so. What on?
Hello.
You're nice, though.
Mm-hmm.
You single?
No, I'm taken.
Taken.
Yes.
Oh God, I told me I look on you, I say you're beautiful.
Me not beautiful, me ugly. Donkey bite me. Me not pretty at all.
What kind of tattoo that you have?
Me man name.
Oh, your man name.
Yes.
Oh, so you're taken for true.
Yes, very much.
So you don't feel like you want...
No, me don't want you.
What?
Me don't want no buckle collector, man. Me want me foot them pan dashboard.
Then-
Me fi lie down on the AC.
Mama, I sell them, you know.
So what does that have to do with me?
When me sell them, you know, me can buy anything, you know.
Me want man what drive jelly. You don't drive jelly. I don't want you. Me sorry.
How much inch in a jelly you have?
I don't know.
And you want jive, you want a
Me
man
not
to drive jelly?
business.
Eh?
Go take time go and see one buckle over there so me help out you.
Let me ask you a question.
One buckle over there so.
You feel like any man want to walk and pick up back with a normal man?
You
Huh?
normal. You not see normal. Look fine.
This is money. hard working money. Me I walk and pick up my sweat and blood.
That's how you sweat
You
and
see if you get
business.
1 million of this, a 3 million that you know.
Well, that
Me
not
get a
go
$3
nowhere.
for back up.
This not go nowhere. No talking. That not go help me right now.
So you want a man rich.
Right, I want a rich man. If
So
I
you
don't
can-
rich, me don't
So you
want
can cock up
you.
them dirty foot upon the dashboard.
Right, then dirty foot that shall go on the dashboard. Look at them, very dirty. You want to use a towel and wipe it and
They
clean it.
always say if you want to know how a woman front stay up on them foot.
Well, that's on my front stay. That's if I clean it. You right now, what?
We are left here with a warning. You see, anybody you must judge. Don't
Me have to judge you. Can you
don't
pat down.
judge the book.
You pat down. You need help. Come on back over this, so me say.
Don't worry then. Don't worry then. As me say, when you want to know how a woman front, check them foot bottom.
Well, me know true.
Cause see,
You
when-
don't know how my front look. You can't talk to me. You can't walk in my shoes. You see, me a dirty folk girl. Make you stay. Sorry if you go. Me want a man to look. Make him pick me up so don't pick me up when me clean. When
Well, you might
don't say
have
this
a,
in my
alright, you
head.
might have a point with the dirty foot. A man can pick you up and clean you up. But a man no want no woman to just so everybody has to see your body.
You see my body?
Yeah.
You see my pum pum?
Me seen your belly. Me seen you whole of your so no man no see that look like a source of brandy you have on right now.
By the time hot, you don't see the sun shining.
You stay in your yard. You don't come
So
from
no
the
me yard
road.
me there.
What-
Over there, son, living up.
Whether over there so you live, out there so different. You live on the roadside. All kind of corro blow past you so.
What kind of koro? Yeah,
Next thing
all
you
the
go-
koro will blow past you. So
Next thing
yeah,
you
the
go
all
over-
the koro.
Next thing you go over, your man suck off a little dusty breast, then when dust
No,
and
me
fly
go
past you so.
beard.
And then when him catch germs, you catch germs too.
No, me
because
go
he
beard.
would go in your naked and give you germs.
What you know about? You know, say every top chat, cause yeah, the all the dirty koro walk past you so since a while ago.
Oh yeah, you know me. You're bright, you know me. Don't ramp with me, yeah? Oh,
But this a dirty
oh boy.
Yo, Elder.
Why everybody think to me old? Me look old here.
Oh,
Me just 30. Oh, 30. Me only look old, but me not old.
I know Godfather. What me say still?
Uh-huh.
That's one Kumaga food cat down the road there. What me I look for?
I wonder if I want girl long and me just lick down a while ago and I want brassiere top.
Lick down.
Yeah man, one good dirty foot. If her foot dirty.
General.
Me don't know.
Woman only foot no brazier top.
Oh! Cause when I say you have to go check out yourself. Cause them the girl when them foot dirty so something wrong with them. It's either they're sick.
What am I gonna do with dirty foot, woman?
Woman
My girl
foot
can
to
come
clean.
down bed. My girl can come down bed. Dirty foot, dirty up white sheet and I know that.
Ah, no, you know what me I talk about.
So, how I know so? Money?
No man, yeah, I really money come I sell it. Plastic buckle. We can recycle it.
What you saying there?
Plastic buckle. What? What do you mean by what?
Where do you plastic buckle in? So how much money plastic buckle worth?
Oh, $3, me think $1, $3. No.
But I want another $3 money, brother.
No man, the thing is, if you can pile them up till you reach 1 million buckle,
Brother.
there's 1 million here.
Tell us something. See the money I look for? You can't pile up the money down here. Every time I pile up money, you try to thief them out little.
No, the thing what you do, you see, since I she love thief your money, every time you miss that money, you lick him on your finger them.
I'm murder that you know, so I'm gonna call man jump him round so I didn't go pick up 500k. Hey, I shouldn't even tell you they ain't still now. Yeah, where you come from?
Oh, down from the, you don't really come from the area, but me just saw a circle coming out, a whole heap of background of them area. So I full up here now, some here.
So father, what your badness now? You know, say my era.
So what does have to do?
No, I'm glad you tell me say, I buckle them where I pick up in my village. Then worth money, so you know you have to give me a little thing for me buckle them. Because I drink buckle them in my village here.
So you want to say every background in Eileen, you drink it?
I mean, drink them people and drink buckle things, brother. Oh, I'm to you. A box drinks and
So you are trying to tell me, say, me have to pay you for the empty back of them?
Father, take out my kerchief. Because I come like you know, see who they talk to you. Yo,
Alright, you want me to
Yo,
say? You want me to say?
hey, not touch me, man. Know what you do. You see me tattoo them?
No.
Every one of them I want dead body. People were unalive. As me unalive them, I put on a tattoo. So listen me. You see my buckle them, where you pick up on the streets, what me drink,
Oh, yeah.
anything, where you do.
Yeah. Take you go and go sell.
You're smart. Where you sell?
Don't like buckle factory.
My buckle factory there.
Oh, no, why it all.
Lift up, man. Oh, I'm to your daddy.
Take it.
And I'm see you back in the village, you know.
Alright.
What you run to? Like something pop off in there. Where them wanna come from in my village, though, God? I wonder if them are worth good piece of money. Backer. For check out, you know. In case any other boy lie to me. Problem.
Lord of God. Oh, God.
That one bite you?
No, wow. One big chunk tattoo guy down there, so.
Oh, I know that man there. I think I know who you talk.
Inside murder
He's there with
people.
my friend.
Your friend an idiot.
I'm but abuse people too.
Oh.
But anyway, see you look so nice. I'm a Papa Calafi. You look nice and lovely.
Thanks,
See you look good, Jesus.
You're a good girl. Will I take you up?
Oh, but I take up your too. So, you have no money?
Huh?
You have money?
Like what?
Money. 40,000, 20,000. Ready cash and you have much millions in the account. You work as a CEO?
I'm back on work.
Oh, you own the back company?
No,
Jesus.
no. Listen up. Me walk and take up the back of them and sell them back to the company.
You walk and take up a buckle.
Yeah. Me put them in a one garbage bag. When them full, me tie them up and put them on my yard. And when them pile up enough, me call one truck and me carry them. Sometimes, sometimes the truck man fee when they come out, sometimes I not see the money, but sometimes he have a little money, can buy crackers and
I beg you
sardines.
do. I continue run.
Huh?
I beg you do. Continue run.
Why?
What may I do with you? What may I pick up one buckle man? I do a buckle man. Tell me now. You know them a hard time, yeah. What may I pick up one broke pocket man like a you?
The time not hard, if you tap the light on the time is spinning. How the time hard?
Time rough. No money now run.
This
Society.
time cannot rough. Stop, say it.
Alright then. Time not rough then. Me a suffer. And I feel like man pick up a bigger sufferation than me. Me see you run come, you look good in your yellow shirt. Me think you have money. You well trim up and looking nice and lovely. Me think you have money. What you know money, man?
And
Continue
that we don't know. We don't always talk about it rough. Stop saying it. You not suffer. Cause see how you dress. You not suffer people who suffer can't dress.
I beg you to go continue go. Come on, me do and broke pocket man like a you.
Hello? Hello? No, me not see it. That what? Alright, me.
Oh, yo. How you me come back?
Lord, God, every minute, one crisis just left me out.
Mama, any crisis right inside you.
Put that, let me
Where you go, mama?
Out the road, me they go sit down.
Stay back, girl, man.
All things stay by, I cut pie and me a man beat out your ass. Girl, what you want?
Oh, you feel up there side tell people about man beat me. You did see man beat me?
Who me tell some man beat you, girl?
Kayla sister. Me didn't remember she knew, but yeah, she.
Let me tell you this, me and Kayla sister don't hold no conversation to man beat you. All this money me said to my friend Kayla say, me say, girl, guess who get some lick last night? No Shanice. Me and Kayla sister never.
You see when me I get the lick?
Me hear did it, them do an abuse.
Oh, you know, see,
The man tell me say you get lick and you do something to get lick, mama.
Mama. More top walk and scandal maybe.
Mama, me not scandal a business.
don't need
The
me
world
to tell
don't
that.
know.
You don't know because you know. So
I
once
don't
you know,
care.
everybody go know.
I don't care. Me not hold
Just
nothing.
like
Me not plan for dead.
So you can't hold your mouth.
Mama, me know
me
me.
want
And you
them,
can't
know,
hold it.
say make sure
Hold
you
it.
hold your mouth. Because in everywhere your mouth fi go. You know fi scandal your mouth.
I know everywhere. I know everywhere that for go. Remember say, you go give her that for 10 grand. Move for you so that say your man beat out your nastiness.
Mama.
You can't hype on me, girl. My man not beat me.
Your man
Because
not
me
beat
not
because you're not good.
Mama, the man
You can't talk to me. Remember, say the man tell me, say no. The man, me tell you what the man tell me. Say, man tell me, say you got beard, and when you plug in charger in your socket, it never good. So you have to stop. You can't talk to me. Why tell the man, say, Mama?
That make you lose weight.
I'm sorry. Mama, that shut the man! Are you getting cancer with a dirty mouth, girl? Go ahead, you have gonorrhea, syphilis, AIDS. Can't talk to me.
Babes. I'm here.
Tired.
Yeah, babes, nothing to tell you now.
You have to tell me now.
Come over here, so come look in my
Me I
face.
hear you, me I see you clearly.
Babes, come over here, so come look in my face, no, man. Don't say that me ever live bad. Me. I'm sorry for lick your idea. It's me. But babes, you know, listen. I need to start grow up and act like a woman. And listen when me talk to you, is me? I'm sorry for lick you. I'm sorry for hurt you and make the blood that cut the for your hand that they one day, is me? I'm sorry about that, but I need to change.
Change why?
Babes, I need to stop going like a hooligan.
Why?
I don't like you when you talk, you sound like I hug them more than tie over bush. That not sound good,
And
babes.
you sound like you got them.
I can't talk about goat now like you think a capping thing with the pan. You need to start talk smooth and nice like a decent young girl. And stop make them boy out the road jumpy. You don't have me in here for jumpy already. One more push start you
And
want.
I'll jump me right.
Wanna jump
Next
right?
time I jump me feel 2 seconds after.
What?
Huh?
Let's look for it.
Where's the little while deaf?
No, me not hear you.
It seems like you're not here.
Me not jump you good. Fool to bombard to continue live in a fear world where nobody no want live in a.
It's full bad.
Me keep on, I work with the deepness and the wideness and I try to change you so you can be cool. So your home can get in back to the right place where you did there when you just born and you not listen.
Now listen to tiles like always deep and wide. That come like the sea. You know, you see where they downtown? It's deeper than it.
Babes, I want you.
And it's wider than the 14 pressure. It's very wide. I will call you.
Come see man, I want you man.
Answer phone.
The next time you talk me talk to him, if you talk to him,
Answer
answer
phone.
phone.
No, answer now. Me nah get hot and heated.
I'm to answer your phone and me
Answer
talk.
your phone, me don't talk. Answer your phone now.
Your parents a teacher when not.
Answer your phone. No. I like a dirty girl a call and say don't want to answer your phone. So after everything you beat me, you cheat. And then you're gonna tell me sorry, if you accept sorry. If you accept sorry. Answer your phone.
B.
Answer your phone.
Babes, I want you man. I talk me talk to you.
Answer. Oh, say I give me bun.
You know, say right now, to me see you go on. You come like say you do things and any of me find out say you do things.
Oh, banana trash in your head. Where you come from?
Any of me find out say you do things.
Where you come from?
Listen to me.
What kind of trash that?
Listen to me.
No, you listen to me.
Tell her
Me
this.
I go about my business.
About which business?
And that when me go take me out.
No, see you go on like you do things and any of me find out say you do nothing. For me, any of me find out say you cheat for me.
Your phone just ring a while ago
Me?
you could not answer.
I got discipline you. I'm to answer when time I talk to you.
God discipline your parents, them will have something like you. How you man?
You know, say a girl that want me disrespect her the real way. It's alright. Clean up a place and go up on the road. Because the girl that can go and like say him a do things, you know. I say any of me ever find out say him a do things. Just know say no make a hurting hand this time. Chop off it. Put a 28 cross in neck back. Then I can go and like say want come get cockatoo in here. Thing good man. Yo, can't believe it's a girl that come call me my time, you know. Sorry, me get a girl my number, you know, man. But suppose a girl that find out, say, how a woman a call me. I'll do it on system. I'm all pretty. Check on the block.
You need to stop it. Yeah, pick me.
But my friend Riri, girl, you have me a girl.
All the better. Riri, girl.
Girl.
They good?
Girl, me there, I want to take some beads. Can I
Sit down, though.
Hey, girl, what
Even,
I'm
miss.
there. Bigger money.
Even.
You alright, even.
She said, I know.
Girl, me there. Where you see I going now?
Girl, me just there here and walk and then see what go on. We are planning to do with the life and then something there.
Girl, I want money, man.
You need to go look at work.
Girl, I said thing, me say. Where I
Where
go?
me?
You go and go look at
You know,
work.
says a nice pretty girl.
No, me know me nice. Me don't need you to tell me, mama. Me not talk to you. You go over there, so. I'm a
But
friend
if
me
she
attack.
attack you, attack you.
No, mama.
Mama.
Me is no friend. Me don't know you
Me
from
never
nowhere.
tell her say me a friend.
So we attack.
Me I tell you say you need to look at work.
Yes, no, girl.
Me not feel like me no want to work, girl. I want money, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, some money, man. We want. And me say, girl, the other day me did there.
Yeah.
And me person, me see one man a run come in a yellow shirt.
We are tapping eyes there. Hold up. You don't know, say. Me see one madman a pass. After me sit down what they say in the moment, after me get front, sit down, good. Me see this man a walk and I take out buckle. He ma go say, you look nice, though. So me say, yeah, me know me look nice. The man a go tell me, say, want one man when they pick up buckle for.
We don't have something there with a yellow shirt.
Yes, him
And
said
him
one.
said, well, me see the man a run come boho. Stick up in. Not because you know see people that pick up buckle that means say them broke and have no money. You hear?
Mama.
The man can have his riches and still let her road that pick up buckle. Who go rich and the road that pick up buckle?
Him,
will do
she.
it.
I see I got damn do it.
Mama.
She.
Me see the man a run come. And when me dey talk to him, I want to tell you kiss your teeth.
Mama, come and talk to you.
Between me and you, he tell me say one big tall tattoo man take away back from him like he built tall tattoo man push him and take him back. That's the same run.
If the man take you back a good kind man, take you back and
You hear what kind of man?
nearly broke me hand like a Chinese horn.
Mama, you hear what kind of man me say? Which tall brown tattoo man you know in the lane where they do them they up there to people? Chinese man a thief buckle. Yes. When you first stop and mix up, no line.
You don't know say, me glad say.
Me the chat. When you need to stop. The
Let me
mix
get
up
up,
thing
mama.
not go nowhere.
Come out from me and me don't like a style.
If me da come out, you come out behind me too. Every time I come out, whenever I come out,
Wait a
embarrass
time
me.
for, wait time for. We don't make scare
The
yard.
mix up thing no good. The love thing don't good. Cause all I talk
I
about
only
is
mix up
love.
somebody that's how you.
Girl, love real. Listen to me. Any day, name day, you find real love.
When I reach
Me
home, I
will
talk to
pay
you.
you and get change.
Me no want fear money. When I reach home, I talk to your sister. And I come to, as me that say, the man take the buckle and fling on my face. They brought me
You
on
know
like
fling
a
it good.
like a Chinese horn.
Girl, you're lucky. You need to fling over me and run him. Cause you know no money, I don't want a broke pocket man. Me need a rich man.
Me tell me some more, I foot them pan dashboard. You might say me foot them dirty and see me like come, me foot
No, you
dirty.
foot them
I saw
dirty
them.
for sure.
I saw them, I saw them.
Me Jesus, what a bother.
Mama don't laugh.
You going there?
I want to know, I ask him. Come from where
No,
me
pick
feel
me. I hear the mix up them when them at you come go your yard.
No, sir, girl.
Yard.
Me call
Me
him
say
next time
yard.
me
Go to the yard, me not carry.
Why? You rough. Later, girl, you have a mother there. Come on, new mother you get. That's sorry for you. Come go here now.
Where you go on the road go do? Let me think I'm gonna go back over there so I can talk to that little girl there now.
Me go look at food. You do what you do. Me go look at food.
Make sure I come back in our yard today in our yard.
Read. Who that in the car? Come here. I want to talk to you. Girl, no gun in your yard.
Talk we have a talk. To talk we have a talk.
Kind of big women. Girls to girls, right? You know what they need to change your ears. Mama, let me tell you this. Me not plan to change.
Calm down, me say calm down.
What a calamity. Me tell you this.
You
Me
guys
not
don't feel older
plan.
than for me.
Why?
Calm down, yeah.
You feel like a Kayla this ya and a Kayla this ya,
You
mama.
can't be Kayla.
Mama, a true Kayla idiot. Me tell you this.
You're
me not
mostly
plan.
idiot, you know.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your
You're
mouth.
mostly idiot, to be
Girl,
honest, true.
Girl, I talk you come to talk or a lecture come for lecture me. Which one? Me come to discipline you. Discipline? You discipline yourself. If I want to discipline somebody, go get a daughter. Eh?
Me already have Kayla's my little sister.
Me know your sister, me know your daughter. So you not come discipline me. As me did I say, me not plan to change my life or myself to please you.
You're not change to please me, I to please you.
Mama, me not need to change to please myself.
Table's turning here.
You go turn pan.
So when time me turn, you go come to me and you go beg.
Who go beg?
You.
If I'm me fi beg, God come to Ross. Cause if you are only somebody pan the world, me fi beg. Me prefer dead first before me come beg you.
Oh, you can't say me never warn you.
Warn yourself.
You
think
can't
you don't say
me
I
never
took Kayla
warn
eat
you.
that all the thing you do come this is where the girl pan road.
Me not disrespect her, me just tell her the truth.
Tell her it's true.
Cause you're bad company.
I should make
You lead her astray.
and you go lead her astray. You know see how you lead her astray. You're blind.
Oh,
You're blind.
better than some
Every
food
day you company where they disrespect the poor little girl. You make people that look on the girl bad. Yeah, what? You can't disrespect her yard.
No.
You shame the girl. And you not gonna shame me, no? Call me a boko or me a dopey conqueror, so you can't shame
Well,
me.
me the biggest one.
Mama, come on to my yard. I don't tell you what me have to tell you, no. And don't come back.
Honestly, I need to stop.
Stop what?
Me don't talk. Bye.
Mama, you can't talk to me.
Me don't talk.
So,
Bye-bye.
Juana?
Bye.
Every minute, you come like God set upon me. Me, mama. No, sir.
Oh God, no, I'm back on that one day. No, back in that one here. Where you come from? You come from where?
Kind of.
No back in the around them area, cause they are trying to circulate the area, you know, cause I walk and pick
You know, you
up.
can walk and look in a bush and see also one day.
Oh no, man, me I count them, man, because.
You can go around the little lane there and see if you see.
All right, welcome, man. It's all short up here. Not say a word. But anyway, I want find the amount of buckle. That's what me telling you, buckle.
That's
Gather them
good.
up, sell them.
That's good. Can you make money off of them too, though?
Not really, but me can invest. Me can flip it. Because you know, if you buy a bag of bag juice, you can flip it and buy a tube.
Understand.
You know, some people when they do business, they eat out the business.
True.
Some of them young girls, I see them sell clothes. When I check it out, them use out the clothes and not buy back nothing. Then that's what make them buy it from themselves. Then use out it. Some of them are young. I only hope you not tell like some of them young girls, you know.
No,
All
sir.
them do is walk around and thief jars. Who not thief jars? They take away bag.
That's it. Go for real.
Me no want you follow them young girls in them here. You call all them good for do. That's all them good for do. Borrow people the things and then tell them I carry back tomorrow. All 1 week straight they have it on them back.
I really think you're that, man.
You don't do them something that I see bad business, no follow them. Your true beauty is a natural self. You understand? The bonnet cover your beauty. You don't wear bonnet. Left it for some squatters. Bonnet block your future. Because every day you go get up and put on bonnet, your future gone left you. You understand? And that's why they still on them, they sitting there. If keep on down under the low system. Because every day it's only in a bonnet. I stand up. I feel pretty like I hear. I don't hear.
Because I'm here no come make me have a
It don't
man.
matter. If a man can't love you with a raggedy head, it don't make no sense. The last time I carry a woman in my yard, you know, and get up in the morning. You see the person when me carrying, I know the same person me get up with. The whole, the makeup thick so. Heavy duty makeup. They tell you. So no do it, no follow them, but me like it still, so me go give me number. You call me and we can talk. No one then. My number 3636916. So if you feel free, you call me, yeah?
Alright, then take care.
And remember, don't follow them young girl around here because them thief jars hard.
Alright.
If you can secure your jars, you secure your jars. I don't like cause it'll be a good idea still. Cause I'm more money there, so. Money for
Apple
money
skilling.
car, right?
You're willing? Rise up the chilling. You again?
Hold on, one buckle there. Where is the buckle?
I'm telling you, I'm going to do with the buckle. I sell them. That's so much money. They need work, boy.
Yes! That's why I walk and pick them up. Me want to make money. And you stop the program of making money when you take me buckle them. See there, I'll check, analyze it here still. See what buckle in a year.
And that me they do right now. So that me want you to understand. So, what me tell us about the village?
So you own the village.
So you think I road run this alone?
Yeah, that's why I come here so now come check.
How much road now a village? You not ramp with me thing in a yacht. You see all of them are back clear? And them me I walk and search for. I don't want you to touch one. You not learn?
So you want to too?
Everywhere. In the village. Me put the V in a village.
But
Understand? Put the girl on the man, you pen pencil like girl.
yeah, go on, so village of everybody.
Father, run me turf. Different. You hear that? You see if you talk. Wait up yo. Feel like a joke me I make? You feel like a joke me I make? Lift up. Lift up the man. Boy, you have to lift up. You feel like a chatting, you know. Boy, come teach me.
Wagwan, me there. You know, some have something to tell you, though. What you have to tell me? A big man, you know, some fine man. Me Jesus. The little time me left, you know, Riri, you fine man. You should send a Riri, yeah, man. No, that little girl I can't give a man. What kind of man you have? Girl, one good man. More willing to settle down with me. I'm not to remember. Me box, I don't your man that then. That could never be your money, remember your man name. Girl, the man wants to settle down with me. He's a trying man. I'm a trying man. Why do you feel living? I'm a CEO for a big business. No. No what? Tell you something. It's a people work hard. Yeah. Who earn their own money, then deserve love. Okay. Yeah. You know have to know what kind of working. Just know say he's a trying man. I'm a willing. He come me like you tell me say your man is a broke pocket man. And if him broke, me not care. He could have go broke a man, me there with him today, tomorrow, if he was here. You know, me find out. Me get to find out, say, you're attracted to broke pocket man. Yes. And me find out, say, you're attractive to take people money and then left them. Girl! You know what? Girl! Good. This is what I mean. My father raised me good enough. If in the race you're good, you would turn so. Stop the nice. You take everything off of mommy. You see, daddy, all that I think about is the money. And that money me I think, but look on daddy, you know daddy there. Foreign with white woman. This one do, he left black mommy, I got do one white girl. You see the picture? So why him not take it? Alright, if you have a little footstep, why him not take it with him? Daddy don't like me. Me take a little footstep. You know why? But I don't understand why you have one man. We are doing one man now. When people do it, man, second along with. At least. Oh, you look love? No. Oh, thank God, glorious. So what if you try with? You know what, some money? Girl, the money you dey worry about. You dey one broke pocket man. And money you dey worry about. You see the other day, you raise your hand over so back up, come here, big girl. I am 18 and you are 19. Back up, your love go show me on the road. And you're ashamed of the evening, yeah. Back up and get out of my face. You see, if you want me for discipline in our house, you would attend in our house at the time and stop down there with the little girl there. Riri is my friend, I'm not tap chat to Riri. And she got put in a batty hole. And you broke pocket, man. They're gonna make us suffer for the rest of your life. And me and Riri go rich. And me go about my business to come down here tap so they come argue. Which business are they go about, by the way? Me I look for my friend them, two of them. Girl, in a yard, me tell you something, me come in a yard and see you. You wash up your dirty plate them already? You don't feel like I'm washing a plate this evening. Girl, go up in a yard. You don't feel like at the evening. Because if you go down there, so when you come up there, say you get some beaten. Alright, wait for me. Alright. Shanice! Kayla! Yeah! Hey! You know like me want to see you? How go on? Girl, me have what a mix up to tell you. Whole heap a mix up. Start off with yourself. Alright. Yeah, I'm right myself. Me say me...
She never think she will come up before I reach out or so.
Really? How I probably can come and sit down?
You never think you need to come out here before I reach?
Just wake up and feel that.
Oh. Come on, go, Pastor.
Wait, Mama, wait now.
Mama, come. Anyway, take it really no already. Me take it really no already.
What?
Me talk when me talk. First thing me talk about is my family business and me come and pan for you. You know what I know say my sister tell me say fine one man. And I tell me about how him man is a hard working man.
So wrong with that?
Meaning say he's a broke pocket when in there they with no rich man.
Mama, which part of Jamaica I go find rich man then time here?
She find one.
Who find one?
She not find one. A broke pocket man she find.
So which man she go find rich man them time here? She
She walk and look for rich man. Look up on your hand.
You a rich man? If you didn't have rich man, your hairstyle would have served you 4 months.
Mama, you say if you have a rich man, your man would have beat you till you damage your hand. You
I
see how
tell you,
bad
when I have no rich man, a bad man, me take up, you know.
Yes.
All right, now me regret the bad man.
Yes,
How about you?
remember this. Remember the garbage collector. Remember look people. Excuse.
Garbage collector.
A buckling, me find one buckling game. I want buckling walk and
Buckley, look, sir. Buckley, look.
No, really.
See what type of stuff?
What go on again, my friend?
No friend, you know.
You
Look no friend from me, come and
Then, how do you know a buckle collector?
good? Huh?
No matter penalize video, the back collector you wouldn't damn it so. I mean here say your man. Cause in describe say I want tattoo man, yes.
I feel man.
A fear man, I hear man alone. Your man walk on a thief. A fear man for true. Yes.
All right.
Yeah, man.
All right. Let me chat. No. Relax.
Fear man.
Tell your man to bring back my bag. Back.
Boy, there. You're too bright now. You're too bright. Every time you see me, you want to abuse me.
Hey.
Yeah, mama? What is?
Hey.
Go on, mommy. Right. You don't do that. You don't do that.
This one,
Don't smell that.
me can ask you something, sir. Can I ask you something?
Under food fishy.
How you know that? Oh, you know that you go under there?
This sent a while ago. When she get up. Raw.
You know when I tell me the things say you should you collect buckle?
Ah, shit.
Oh.
That no.
So how my man get for teeth here buckle him?
Well, she take up my $20,000 worth of
She
buckle.
take up a $20,000 buckle.
Him, take up my $20,000 worth of buckle.
How
Right up the road, yes, sir.
about that? What am I supposed to do? Go over me yard for them?
Hear me?
What am I for you spare you?
Anyway.
Me spit?
Me don't understand.
Where you going now?
You want my man? There is she more if need you.
Mama, remember say, if nobody need nobody, you and your sister.
No!
Uno shot a
My
food.
sister has somebody. Number one, me can't shot and not baby lover. You shot us to make it take up a bad man. I had get lick. I had tan in a east.
So mama, what?
Let me stand by myself. I don't shut on. Me ear one do, let it stay. And this to go find more rich man and see me a service. You know they here. No man no want. You see how this need fix up properly.
Anybody need fixing a she? It was nice meeting you. Me I go over me, I go ask my man about the buckle. If me get him, me carry con give you.
Alright, thanks about that. You see a friend like this, you don't need a friend like this.
Me realize
Show me a
Listen,
talk
hold on.
truth.
this need to go in the rubbish
Then, bro,
bin.
Jamaica, your ear look better than
No!
Me figure out.
Look how long we up in the yard and wait for you.
See all them sitting here. See all them sitting here. Y'all little pitney.
Christ, God. Why everything? Who this? Who this? No, Anela. You know her? You know her?
Anyway, I'm going to talk to you here.
Alright.
I'm going to talk to you. I never know say your sister.
So I go and just
You know him?
Yeah, me know him. I walk.
Ayawa, man.
We don't need to know that.
I could never, yeah, man, I could never pick up a rubbish collector. man.
All time you tell me about man, you should tell your sister to pick the right man. Later
Go
go
on
there.
with the bad man.
Yes, go there.
Come out and go up, so.
Mama, I go up, Tom. You come there for me before, but I go up. You come to embarrass me on the road. One day, I have to get rid of you.
Send her the bag this. Me bumbo. Then him really a walk at his back like so life gone hard pan him. Watch me and him when he come here. Cause I know nothing in the house. I have to move.
Yeah.
Yes. You me a weird pan. You Miss General.
Come like you want.
You walk at his back now.
You come like you want crosses in my life.
Any crosses there say you. Me God when people are call my man thief. When I'm a bad man a thief. What? You walk at his back.
Call out thief.
You, can I see a thief, the poor old man, Buckley man look so old and innocent.
A frame you try frame me.
20,000 out of Buckley man say.
A frame you try frame me like my glass frame.
Don't me have to shut the 2 box. Me can't feel so good, you know.
What? I would love to see
Listen
that.
to me now.
Tell you this. I see him
Listen to
question
me
me
now.
come for accent and what is about like come
Listen to me. You don't conflict no question for me. Who over clear teeth? The man say teeth in buckle. The man say the man full of tattoo. The brown tall man full of tattoo.
What? What?
Hello, take time out to come on face. Cause I'm too surprised the police come and come all pull you in the morning and no night when me and this are sleep, you know. So listen to this right now. As I told them, I think me want to sleep in this with you. Me come look for yourself now and then.
Yes.
But the back where your teeth need to go back or you pay the man in 20,000.
I thought me thought wrong still. Deceit. I lie me there tell. Can you know every liar is a thief?
Me know I realize that thief, every thief is a liar, they're two thieves. No time to take time talk when they need out of rather scandal, me say my man a thief, then I take time talk, you know. Is that they go care about the man buckle, I get the man in 20,000, the man very old.
I want me can wear clothes. I want me can eat food.
I
Them
could have
thief, you know
never
me a
buckle.
thief.
No, buckle, look how
Them
buckle.
thief, you know me a thief. Eh?
And I'm
How much time me in a house and say me a give road a break? Now you still see, now you see one time for got thief people things for get something for eat. Eh? I test me faith, you know. I test me faith, you go on like and I mean me can eat food, you know. And I mean me can have shape. Eh? And I mean me can yam grape. Hey, me
any shit me have a way God provide, give me. So listen to me now, me a go in and me go pack my bag and me a leave you.
How long time one thing like you come out of my life so me have a thief again. Lunatic. Kill me if you kill him too for him go in. Is that right? Me and him. I have a plan for you.
Jody, I made it so.
But I found somebody who can give me money.
The man I give money?
Mm-hmm.
That the man that I get money?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Is that a crime?
It's not a crime, it's a join and wait. And the money.
You know, I get none do.
No, I mean, I beg you for no. I want to see if my money can give you. So you like him?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm going to settle down with.
Mm-hmm.
And when they walk and pick up, see one poor buckle to you can take up a game and income. I think if you're living, take up buckle. See,
If you do something for your living, you would hand so.
Not really much still, no, but if you can buy, we can buy with it.
Oh, thank you.
So that me.
why you never beard?
Huh?
Why you never beard?
What you mean by what?
I turn to the right, she say, you can't have manners.
I feel me money, you know. So me feel what I feel weird. Me wear what me want wear.
Hello. Your company radio yesterday in the head clothes, yeah. And to the other thing over show, who you are fool? You pick up one bro,
Bro, man close them. You might borrow nobody clothes?
Right.
Sorry, no. You don't burn nobody clothes.
When last day Ed?
The last time you beard.
When last day Ed? Yeah, describe me. You know who is me?
You know who is me?
Yes, a low life dog.
No, you is a low life dog. This a girl that have money for me beg. Me not beg this a girl that nothing.
So how you name?
Hello.
The bed where you sleep and who buy?
Mama, and daddy and mommy buy the bed. Member good.
Oh.
Member good.
Oh, who find
Member
me
good.
there? Who then send the money for come buy?
Anybody who buy the bed, I feed them you mean. And like you buy the bed.
Me.
Move. Go on your business.
You need to stop. Get up from right here, so.
You say me now move?
Anyways, me go down and shop and come back.
Me no business where you want go.
You want something?
No.
Make sure.
Mm-hmm.
So you have left your money.
And that me want know.
You know my TV, she a rat.
What rat? If me a rat, you are the zoo.
Me so come.
Listen me. If it's zoo like me, now I'm taking an animal like you. Because
that
me
you,
no want
cause
my zoo locked down. Me no want to scare my people them. You feel left over Panama, over with the rest of monkey, them like over the water. You know, if you go for a giant land and walk.
Why? Later. Only God know where you feel ba. Shanice! Oi, where you go?
Me go down the road.
Kale up there. So I wish Barrel come and me not know about that. So where you get US from? Not them
You
hard
watch people
time,
business too much.
Mama, me have to watch people business because while my mother that beat me, all out of that scandal, but now I'm beatless free.
Oh, no, who?
Me I go up there because me want to know in I barrel for me.
Oh.
Big Farid.
I want the problem, long mouth.
Me there, you know. Mama, how you get barrel and not like me? Why not for me? Me see your sister down the road, you know. With the US now and...
Mama, you don't even know who give you US. You talk about foreign.
No, me no land.
No foreign, no land. Nobody no come from foreign.
So she get the US. Only not for the Brooks, yes, and I can't afford the US.
I want to US that, mama.
I still US, mama.
Guess where I get it from? Hey, man. The man will walk and pick up buckle.
The old man?
You know that old?
He look old.
But he look old, but he not old. Think he not good.
Then there? Really?
Yes.
This is still an ambition. No buckle them on this.
I hit me, I tell you.
Yeah, money do.
No, you know the money.
Mama, and you can have US. What we have?
Me have feeling say a thief in thief. A thief
What
that
money you have?
No, I don't know money.
See, $100 me have. If you are $100 bigger than this $100, yeah.
Me no the money. Where me find one rich man? So whole
My
life.
sister beat you first.
So whole life.
Life great, mama.
You talk to your man about
Me
it,
no
talk to
man,
them.
mama. Me left that. Me pack up and me left that.
I like tell girl, you left.
I am for the streets now.
Thank God you finally have sense. No one to make you walk up with your face so bright.
Yes. So, where we go later?
Oh, me
So, we
have,
can go out back now.
me have one man up the road that me can't give you.
No, me not ready for no man lady. Me just want to have fun at the moment.
Remember the last time you tell me say you and the man left. You know me go see the man.
Where?
Party back at you.
Oh.
Would they go party and pop pull up?
We did I.
Who did I?
Me.
See you call him.
No, no call him. Answer phone and tell him I'm there. Then again, girl, me done for good this time. Me done.
Girl, you're not done. You're still that with him. Me not based on the God, you know.
Me done for good.
For where are they?
Me not she there no.
Me not feel like me left yard today.
What kind of rules and regulation your sister up in the under?
Me see them put me on no rules or no regulation. I'm just like me want to chill out on a bench today.
Mama, you remember yesterday she got race you up in the
I mean, in charge. She not in charge. Me left out of the yard.
Mama,
right.
nobody make me boots say no.
You can't boots me.
Oh.
Can you boots her?
So me know you're not a man of your own. I
Me
don't.
no me have to own. Me left out of the
Bro,
yard.
why she beat your backside on the road?
She can't beat me.
If she a beat me now, save it. So come on.
Come on, girl. Where you come from? Me not 18. Me not allowed to go. Me want go.
Not because you're 18, you're still underneath my roof. If not, if I have me to me, police are come haul and pull and me go in a problem.
Me never see about that. Me are 18.
That's still not say.
Hello, me go up and I walk. Me go walk and stretch my legs them. You and who? Me and Shanice go walk. My friend go walk. We go have a walk.
Which
Me
part
link
you
them.
go?
Where me go, not relevant to you. Me
Suppose
go where me
somebody
want
happen
go.
to you.
Clearly
come out
nothing
our
do
house.
not happen.
You come out our house and you even say hey to me.
What me say 8 to you for?
I'm supposed to know your whereabouts.
You don't need to know me whereabouts. I am 18 years old.
That's
me
still
go where
not
me
say.
want go.
That's still not say. You know, say from mommy and daddy gone. You know Kayla again. You know Kayla where you used to be again.
You know why me not the killer used to be again? Cause the killer did underage and she have to abide by the rules. This a killer is
You have to
18.
still abide by the rules now,
No.
cause of me, mommy and daddy left in
No,
charge of
no,
you.
no.
Cause not for me to me, them I go call.
Me a big woman. You see time you watch my business, you go watch you and your water buckle man. When they walk and I pick up water buckle. Watch your business when it's spoiled.
At least in they do something, don't it? At least in they do something for a
And
living.
you're
What
proud of it.
What are you doing for a living?
And you're
For a
proud of
young
it.
girl, what are you doing for a living?
And you're proud of it.
Yeah, I'm proud of it. What are you doing for a living, Kayla?
You're blind.
What? Walk up
Eat,
and
sleep, walk up and then I look rich man. You're blind?
and where that I go put you?
What I gonna put me? You know a big man
So I
child.
better say I get nothing to eat tonight.
No, you not give me nothing to eat. No means me I go starve. Me have a man now. Bright.
Where you find man?
That's all
of your business. Just no say no walk and pick up buckle.
You sure say you alone you have?
Hello. If a rich man could ever have 5 billion woman or 5 woman one time.
Try just
I
no
mean
say.
include night be 6. Me no
Listen me.
business as long as me
Yes,
get
when
my
time
money.
I catch gut, no come to me. You hear
If me
me
catch
tell
go,
you?
if me catch go, me now come to you. Me at 18. No,
Make
if me catch
sure.
belly now.
Hey, see if him not own it, me would like to know which other man you have out there.
You never say do I go where you go me come go because me don't know where you come. Because sun hot. Sun hot before you leave the house.
Are you there night? Me dey go about my business. Me dey
So you go about your business.
Me
Me
dey go
ask
check
where
my
you
man.
go. Me ask where you go.
Me dey go check my man.
Me no business for go check your water buckle man and my business that.
At least me dey get money and you eat and I drink out tight.
No.
Same way.
No. We never ask you. You don't have to collect the money from him in the house. Because all you do is get up a morning time.
question.
What?
The curry goat and the white rice we eat yesterday. Who you think provided?
That are not curry goat. That a curry goat. They fear by your man. That are not curry goat. Me never name none of that.
Oh,
Whatever.
but you hide it underneath the bed door.
Because me never want somebody put it underneath the bed.
You hide the plate. Girl, me dey talk to you. Me never tell you say you could have moved. Me give you permission to walk off?
Hello. Me are 18.
That's still
Not
you're the
14.
you're 18. That's still not say. Under film roof, they go under now. Suppose me for put you out and say go live with your man.
Because you are clear one. This man not a hot son ya. Clearly. Just listen to me say go in your ears then. And the last time me I want you. You see next time. Me you see me know where you saw me left out of here and tell me left out of here. You come and record you want
And
to
if
shame
me
me.
are there go left out and
Stop
I
it
go
nice.
put you out.
Stop it as me
They go
talk.
put you out.
Stop
Take
the
your
night.
hand out of my
Stop-
face.
stop
I'm
the
a
night.
bigger than you. And me
Stop the
beat
night.
you out here.
Stop it as me talk. Stop it as make me talk. You see next time you do it, you hold on by my hand. You go black and blue your eye and me push you down, you know. Cause you clear you come like say through your night, you feel like you're big, but there's no big man, you know. Me are 18, me do what I want to do.
But me a
And
big man
stop come
myself
on the
too.
road, come shame me. Me the cover down. Me a walk back in the cover down. Don't
Me
come
tell
me
you
down.
this, just try not to friend today, dear. You not sleep back in the house there.
No, stop me up there, me a go, you blind. It's like
You
you're
not,
blind.
so when me come back, yeah, come out. And me don't talk. Riri! Riri! Johnny, come here, good girl.
That's how I do it.
Good morning, Robert.
How me can help you?
Girl, I come to ask you a question.
What?
Which spot my sister go yesterday?
I'm going for mine.
She and who?
Shanice.
But then go look for man and do.
We have question, man. If you know what they're going to look for, what people go look for man and do. Because they see your sister said she don't want there with the broke man. So she go kidnap you.
Huh?
And you see the $100 US to get from
Oh,
the man.
ho. Which ones are US? Want to know about that? Say.
Mama, remember how we know.
How you hear that, by the way?
The pan the road, me hear about it. Pan the road, they
So
have
she
their
tell me
broad
business
cars. They can go down
scandal out
the
the place.
Mama, nobody take a business plan out the place. You take a business plan out the place. Now come on to me yard.
Girl, don't touch me. Me come to ask you something, me never come to you touch me. Don't touch me, me say.
Me yard.
Me say no touch me, me not touch.
You know, what's going on here, lad? Fighting, you're gonna stop me fighting. Well, not fighting! Oh, you take it. Wait, hey, yes, stop coming here, pal. Come on, come here. Come on, come here. Why you? Come on, come here. You don't want to bust up your face. Come on, come here. Bust up my face. Come on, come here, girl. You don't want to bust up your face. Come on, come here. Come on, come here.
I suppose.
Come on, come here.
I suppose.
No, sir.
I'm gonna come out and leave your yard.
No, come on, come here, yes. I said, want to come to me and come argue me on the stick. Girl, come back in my yard, girl. Cha. Wait. Come to me yard, come to me yard. Cha. I say every time you come out there, say that girl upon me. Every time this girl come to me yard and have problem with me. can't understand.
Oh, they are your super dog.
You know, say girl Kayla and Riri, me just don't fight.
For what?
Cause them a camera business got scandal out the place. But me and you.
Fix up your blouse good. I don't understand what you're talking about.
Me can't take this little girl that stress me out, man.
Tell her about your sister, you're not here. Stop worrying about she 18.
Me have to worry about her because if she gone, and me police same way I come haul and pull because I my roof she on the same way.
Stop, make she pressure you. Remember that she 18, you know? She a big old tough turbit. She free to do anything she wanna do.
But I my roof she on the same way.
You don't understand, are you wrong? Put her out. Somebody I try also some what you come. What her?
Yes.
Lord
Tell him
God.
to give $1 more US. Eh?
What am I talking about?
Tell him to give it.
Now you me just don't beat down there so.
Hello. Hello. Stop
You
the
want
noise.
more?
Stop the noise. Stop the noise. Tell him to give you $1 more $100.
Suppose he don't have it.
See it? Bro, dog, you go pick up.
Suppose he don't have it,
So
Fanny.
what wrong with it?
Empty barrel.
So what wrong with it?
We is trash.
So what wrong with it?
Huh?
What wrong with it? I walk.
Hello, if I do want to supermarket, fuck.
What you want to do?
So me, if you work for supermarket and collect 16,000 a week, when you can pick up how much backlog there and make a good amount of money,
Like how much?
you can get on 10,000 for the day out of backlog and 20,000 if you're smart enough.
Listen to me. You're not good for me system. I think you're too for day. You're not half far.
You can't choose nothing.
Love.
But love there. Any name there you find love. You show me pay you and get change set time.
I want to see.
Any day you find love and show me.
Because I go put out her clothes them.
You not go and go put them out.
Now listen to me now. It's when you love. You don't try to search for love. Love will follow you. Love will find you.
A garbage I follow you. Garbage.
I mean, I make money off it.
No, that's not love.
I mix up a follow you morning, noon and night.
Right. That's not love. Love will find you as long as
Me,
you
I
have
love
this.
myself.
It's your heart.
If you didn't love yourself, you would pick up their crosses, girl, as your friend.
If you didn't
And
love
every day,
yourself.
them a chat you behind your back.
If you didn't love yourself, you don't pick up a garbage collector, man.
At
And
least he might
every
do
day you
something. At least he might do something. Don't what
Yeah.
your friend them a
Tell
do.
him again. You see, let me share something. What is that? Let me share something. I'll do my man that they want. I'll show you the man what they want here. Hold on, let me show you. Them foot cack off 5 supers. So, I do my man that they want. They my man that they want.
And so what? They have money in my bank, the line. I want chop them want. I don't want a broke pocket boy. A broke pocket boy I go. Where
Every,
that I go?
every chopper have a road, you know. Them road are 6'6".
So
Tell her again.
when you go 6'6", me get another chopper.
Teach her because she
You see,
not have
everybody
no
when they,
upper, so.
you see, everybody when they scam, send voodoo out of them.
How we
You
have to do with
understand?
that?
And you see, next thing again,
Yes.
I'll teach you something. Every scammer scam their loved ones.
Oh.
So you see, if you take up a scammer, yourself are going to get sacrificed.
I don't care.
It's either you home or you can't breathe again.
Tell her
Anytime
again.
you realize you
I
can't.
can't breathe and me have money, me alright. Me go adopt a child. What the problem?
You better you stop talk to her, you know.
Back to them, man. Need check it later.
Alright,
When we make
then.
one little money, can want 5 grand come here buy some
Alright,
soap
then later.
and some tissue and some stay free and them something. Because I know you need the necessary things.
Alright,
You don't do like a she, because she look like say she no be at some weeks, pant up a weeks.
If me not run her for a bed, she not bed, you know.
Looking at her toenail with two different colors. It's like she
say,
have
I
phobia.
test out the color. You can't go like you want to shame me. My two of them is very beautiful. Them are two you can suck off. Bright. Man,
Jesus!
oh, yeah.
Man really suck them there?
I mean, I told them name, my man love me. Saying go and suck them.
Man really suck them there too there?
Yes, and them are two of them on
Which
chest.
man?
Up in a girl, my man I have. Who is you?
Then the bullfrog
Me
foot
and
there?
somebody.
Yes! Them the cockroach two they look on them they today. Hey! What thing wrong with my two of them are two different two things. Look on them, they ugly something there. Look on them there.
I don't see my foot dirty, you know say.
Dirty foot girl you pick up your one come and clean body me. Nice up body me. Sexy me.
You better-
Cute me.
You better take up a trash and wash them off. Now you take up something brand new and can go in your yard and it's not good. Go on where you go.
Move.
And everything
Come
you
up here,
see,
go take
a
out your
store
clothes
is
and come
good.
out
Go
of the
on.
house.
Go on take up your clothes them.
Which clothes?
Because you're 18, you have to feed yourself. Go on.
Yeah, the man, big man. Yeah, the man. Yeah, the man where they stay with, you can move in with him. Yeah, but try no say. Why your man can't buy underpants? You worry about me and go, girl. If me they wear your underpants them? Okay, man, I've got to show up everything. Can you see you? I say you go and get bun. Oh yeah, next one too. Later here.
Okay,
go
no
go deal
problem.
with her. Oh yeah, go. Me I go up go show take clothes them.
Our leg them look like say I pee right up on our foot.
Right? Every time you look at dirty girl and coming on me yard. You want dirty Jody she. Cho. Every time you look at dirty girl coming on me yard, I come argue with me. No why she coming on me yard back, you know.
Oh, you know you call me woman, dirty woman, you know.
Tell your dirty girls every talk coming on me yard.
Because you see you
Oh.
is a sign of dirtiness.
Oh. You and your girl are the sign of dirtiness.
You are the start of dirtiness.
Oh.
You.
And you and your girl are the finish and the definition. And you can't talk to me. Tell her so we talk come over me yard. The next time I piss me, I go dash pan him, you know. The next time I saw him piss me, I go dash pan her. What they are in my hospital from Wacky Kill Philip. Alright.
So, mama, so you really have a heart to have piss under your house pattern from Wappy Kill Philip?
Yes, I fi dash pan Jody. Fi dash pan her. Because she not top coming at me and come make problem with me. One your woman, you know.
You're not sick.
One your woman. And you sick me.
You're not sick.
You and your tongue sick me.
You're not sick.
You and your tongue sick me.
Nasty young girl like you have piss under house pattern?
Yes. Nasty young girl like me.
I don't want to see what you do with the doo-doo. Where you put the doo-doo?
In your mouth.
Because you're nasty.
In your mouth, me put it.
For a young girl.
Sorry, me get.
Watch out, fly and follow your pokey.
Yes, make it follow it. A kite taste nice. Come on, time me move.
Fly, follow shit.
I know your mouth, the fly there. I know your mouth. I know your mouth.
Hey, fly and follow your pokey.
Move first in front of me gate. Alright.
Yeah,
Let me go for piece now. Alright, me show you.
For a young girl upon the two.
Let me show you something. No
Come
move
on.
it up. No move.
Yeah, man, now we're for you. Now we're for you. You're damn idiot to the nasty Noah.
He should have moved it up. He should have moved. He should have turned out and me dash it on him. Cho. All in a female feel like a joke me did a make.
Hey, babes. Babes. Back the company people and just text me back, you know.
So you really gonna sell him man buckle them?
We did have someone sell already. What you pray? You know, say business now to work fast. Money are coming slow, but you still can make the future better off, you know.
You know what? You road you are no thief in buckle right now. Because you thief people them buckle, you want to sell people them buckle.
I'm for thief buckle in my own village. We talk about empty buckle. You ever see people thief empty buckle?
Then what you do? A man having buckle them in a bag, you go thief them.
Thief what? You idiot. After me buckle them on the street, when me drink out, come and mark them. You see me? So
The whole of them.
And me they have
So
them.
if me go for them right now and throw them out of me, I say man pan the whole of them?
What you mean?
No, I'm not talking with them. I can't go on the road.
Oi. I saw you want to leave careless, you know. Where you go for the road go do?
Imagine me tell some me I go on the road, they can't lick me. Wait, me
I lick that.
I go look for my friend them.
You want to feel lick? See a little careless friend them I love, you know. See a little careless company them I love. But go and see them where. And see if you never
You see next time I put the hand on me, a police me I go call here. Police me I go call here, go ugly looking boy.
And then me put you out.
No, you what you have to say, I'm go by my business.
I remember saying I know if you live. And then you little careless thief in friend them. Where they walk a thief jaws and nasty now know if you hitch up or put you up. So you can go and chat.
This?
Wait till they come back in this.
Dirty football, go tell me something can't live yard. Oh, goody. You look so tired out and beat out.
You tired and beat up, mama?
What happened?
Yeah, man, good morning. I like me just okay, me just can't bother.
What do you?
Now my sister again.
Go over a little. I feel like you itch and me too much.
May you come up here?
Mama, me go back to me yard. Oh, after me just take a lick to come out of the yard. Piece of ugly man done there.
So you still there with them, man?
Girl, I'm not feel go.
So what do you have bragging about your relationship done?
Girl, me did just feel happy that day there.
Oh, well.
When me left him, you go put me up?
My mom wish me could have put up, but me can't put up here.
Okay.
Right now, my sister plan for that shop. Me no want to believe what happened today.
What
Me
happened?
done the road. Me no, me good on the road and something.
You come down the road and I lick me?
You know, I really me top, man, girl.
Ah.
Me top. And then I say, me I go back up and now. So I never tell you, I for 10 years and me I come back up. When me I come back up, you know what I know what I say. You walk up on the girl shame me on the road. Me just have to step off and walk come up. When me walk come up, yes. I walk up and I say, walk back on the road. I walk back on the road now, I know I'm ready and I see the fight. I go park the fight.
You are very a fight?
Yes. Hell of a thing when me look at the time turn and beat me. There we are when me I come on the house. Who give a joke?
Wait, no. Them turn and beat you after your party war. So what you do? Beat them back?
No, I told them pa me run.
I don't know. If I top you make sure you beat at least one. While you beat one and the other one lick you go and take the lick from the other one.
No man, it won't beat me. And then me look again, girl. Me I come back up, you must shame me boy and go dash out me. Right now, I'm plan for dash me out, you know. Right now over there she there, she plan for dash me out. You don't know what to do.
Can't put you up because the piece of man don't know like you and your family. So, girl, I have something I can't tell her to do. Because I don't really want to tell her, you go do it and then you go hear say me influence you.
So?
You see? Me hear them by them as can't old people. If I write and offend you, what you do? Chop it off. If you offend you, chop her off. Mama, make nobody put you out first. Put her out first.
Me
I
can't
have the
put her
papers.
out. She have the papers. She must put me out.
So you can't light the papers them?
I know what she do with them.
So what you gonna do now?
Burn down the house.
No, and when them burn down the house, where you gonna live?
You don't worry about that.
Oh, that makes sense.
Me
You
that
know,
business,
just-
me a burn it down. Like me a go do. I can't go on your yard.
Think. You run me now.
Me go think about me burn down the house.
Mama, if you burn down the house, that not benefit you nor she.
Me want me to burn down the house when I'm asleep. But the house when she asleep.
Oh, that go help you. That way I do not make no sense, girl.
Cause when she burn, when me...
The best thing me can tell if it is unalive her.
No, mama.
Put something in her drink.
That's too much work. Then go no see me burn down the house and then me glad enough me go do. Me go set the gasoline. You watching the movie? How them throw the gasoline and you see the fire take a little time and run go up to the place. You see it? Me go run go up to the car, me go do it to the house and go in the house and live in the house like me asleep. But I say me not sleep no, so as me see the house catch a fire, so me run out through the window, lock her up in there.
So you not Gerard?
No. Me a burn down the house with she night.
Me a good on the road. Maybe me
do.
come back, maybe me not come back.
Alright, hit me
Go and think about your plan later.
You wanna owe me a go burn it down now. I'm gonna get gasoline from. Burn it down when she asleep. Okay. Burn it down. Burn it down.
Really, just sit down and just some.
Yeah, because today Sunday, I'm just tired. I'm just done cook or something.
Okay, laddie.
You know, say I'm not seeing from when, I don't know.
Well, let's see her.
You know, so I'm not too sure.
What you know? What you know?
I don't know.
But if me ask people business anyway, though.
Oh, wait, see, I know this is see her come here. Tequila, yeah. There, girl. Tired.
Something.
Why not enough one? I'm not abandon the house. You see
Me tell you, never bunny done.
You see me think about it. I want broke pocket money in there. I want him bun. I want she. I want it.
Me hear everything. So that I don't hear tell people say.
Say what? Say your man broke?
Yeah.
Yes, your man broke. You do that garbage collector man.
How you sure say I'm broke?
I'm broke. You know, back leave pick up for your living.
No worry about that. See my man they walk a come.
Where your man they walk a come?
Oh, see him down there so.
You see ya? You didn't even know your man.
You give me it.
You see this Rasta man they come.
Shut up.
You think I
Me
am
realize say you have strength for your sister.
I said I have to take out my slippers because I have a box on her face. Your woman don't know
Yeah,
you.
what happened?
You see the Rasta man up there, so I'm going to say, see man up there, so they walk come. When you that down the road, they just come. Oh, that work. No problem.
What me involved in that?
Me a cuss out to Then
you
yes.
broke pocket man, cause you broke your work and pick up buckle. No, there is somebody like you, you're a rich man. No, broke pocket man.
I know she still can buy a pair of slippers for herself.
You can buy the
Ma,
pants.
everywhere you go in the one slippers. You got work in the one slippers. You got beard and the
Not
one
even a
slippers.
mad can buy
Alright,
about rated slippers.
Listen,
Anyways, you know,
pay attention to me.
listen to me. This don't involve me.
It involves you.
No, go
No,
over
it
there,
don't
man.
involve me. Yes. You have to go over before my man come beat
Remember
me.
say your man head no.
You see them
Yes,
trees
so later.
squatters,
Alright, girl,
Yeah.
later.
You see them trees, the other squatters gone, but you see them two we are
Yeah,
left.
squatters, I can't feel like I can this. Me
Them can't step in your shoes no.
No dear.
not tapping a broke pocket girl shoes, not there.
Anyway, you show me the most love in the community,
Most love.
right? You make me understand so no matter where me have come from, love still exists, right?
Yeah. Oh, you come to do? What were they?
Say Papa was.
Which propose? I say
One broke pocket man can't propose to you. You know, look, proposable too.
Have manners. This is money. Me not broke. Have manners. Yeah?
Talk to me nice.
Have manners. I'm not broke.
You mean, bro?
I own a guest house.
That none.
Hey, you can't go over me.
Listen me now.
Where you go?
You too. Hey! Remember, I know, you always listen me. Give me this. Come here, can buy plenty of it. Come here. You always try to this me.
Hey, not true. You get them now. That little Kyle, you feel like you can't talk to me. You
Show
still
me one
can't
now.
talk to me.
Show me one now.
You don't even have a thief, the man.
Thief,
Stop
man.
right there in the face.
Go on, you know. Go on.
Anyway, come on. No
Come on here, babes.
Riri.
Oi.
Come here, girl. Come here, girl.
Here. Girl,
Hurry up.
you know, say he lit me with the Kyle.
Mama, me feel the richness right now.
Why me feel it?
You know what we gonna do?
You know what you do? Murder.
I hit me go and do.
Murder.
Now we gonna do too. Of involve Shanice.
Yeah, we have
Probably
got
a Shanice man can do it too, you know?
Yes.
Cause Shanice man a bad man.
Yes. Yes. We have got call Chinese and plan up it. Because the girl going like say, you know say the boy did the Chinese man and tell him spend on their money pan
And the man
the
fool me to pick up water buckle. Fool me to. And the man them me want man like that, me want broke pocket man.
Yeah, girl, and you can give some of the money.
Say, now we have got to know if we go talk to Shanice.
Yes.
See involve in
In
man.
man.
Cause we don't know if murder nobody. Not enough murder nobody. You understand?
Well, so we have call Chinese. So me I go over me yard and
No more than a Shanice said me and Mark go right now.
Alright, come on.
Where you go the blasted cheer. Where you go with that?
Girl, me gonna put me chair over me yard.
Hurry up, me wait for you. Hurry up, mama, hurry up.